Review.
Yes, my lord. On my lord, third. Oblige.
May I please your lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention for listing of a writ petition, lordship, on Monday, lordship. Matter pertaining to non-payment of retirement benefit, lordship. Despite the repeated order of this honorable court, nobody has entered appeared from the respondent side, lordship. We need some order, lordship. On Monday, lordship. Okay. Deeply obliged, lordship.
May I please, your lordship? My lord, I am praying for listing of a writ petition, my lord, next week, any date, my lord. Your lordship already heard the matter, my lord.
Heard the matter?
My lord,
Is it part heard matter?
not part heard, my lord.
Then?
Already last week occasion, my lord, heard
6th May.
6th May. Well, after 8th, my lord.
Huh?
After 8th, my lord.
8th of May.
After 8th.
10th.
Oblige, my lord. Another pair, my lord, item number 33, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, the matter may be adjourned for a week, my lord.
You have 40 petitioner
Petitioner, my lord.
on request made by Mr.
F.A. Loscom.
F.A. Oscar Learned Counsel for petitioner. List after 1 week.
Oblige, my lord.
Wait, Lordship. Kindly, I beg to mention item number 52. Kindly attend the matter for the day
Item number
52.
it is 52. Okay. Your good name, please.
So S. Mahanta,
You are appearing on behalf of
H. Borua.
item 52.
Yes,
Is it G. Bora or
H. Borua.
Yes, I'm on behalf of the petitioner, your lordship.
Ah.
You have taken consent, your lordship.
Oh. Okay. What MS?
G Bora, lordship.
G. Bora Learned Counsel for the petitioner. On request made on behalf of Mr. H. Barwa.
Yes,
Learned
H.
Counsel for
Borua.
the respondent.
Respondent number 7.
7. List the matter after 1 week.
May I please, sir? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 49.
Yes.
Lordship, I may be allowed to withdraw. The order complied with, Lordship.
Mr. L.R. Majumdar, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, submits that the respondents have complied with the order passed by this court. Stop. You therefore press for withdrawal of the present contempt petition. Contempt petition is accordingly disposed of on withdrawal.
May I please? Oblige. May I please? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 35, my lord. Maybe adjourned for 2 weeks, my lord.
Yeah, Mr. D.
PK
Bor-
Bodle, my lord.
Huh?
PK Bodle for the petition.
P.K. Bordello. On request made by Mr. P.K. Bordello, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. This after 2 weeks.
Hello.
May it please your lordship, with the consent of other side, my lord, I beg to mention item 45, my lord. Lordship, this matter may be taken up after 2 weeks, my lord,
You are appearing for
for the petitioner,
your good name?
B. Bora.
On request made by Ms. B. Bora, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. List after 2 weeks.
Obliged.
Please, your lord. Lordship, back to mention for listing writ petition, lordship. Last listed on 13th of December 23. Motion stays, lordship.
Okay, 13th May.
Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 40.
Hmm.
Your Lordship, the matter may be adjourned for the day as my senior learned counsel is suffering from severe slip disc problem. So the matter may be kindly fixed on 8th May.
Who's your senior?
SD Roy.
On request made on behalf of Mr. S. T. Roy, Learned Counsel for petitioner. List on 8th May.
Obliged, sir.
Lordship, I beg to mention item 23 and 24 of today's daily list. Lordship,
That goes with item 22.
yes, Lordship. Lordship, I had a talk with the council appearing in item 22 also.
Hmm.
He has no objection, but Lordship, actually some developments that might have taken place during the pendency of this case. That instruction I need to take, Lordship, and for that I require some time.
How much time you require?
At least 2 weeks, Lordship.
Okay, on request made by Mr. M.B. Sharma. Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner in WPC 904 of 2017. List these matters after 2 weeks.
Only fix it there. I am in item number 22.
Hmm.
In item number 22, I am for the petitioner. Lord.
You have any objection?
I have no objection for adjournment. Only fix it there, Lord.
You want to fix the date? 10th May.
That's.
See after 11 days.
That's any date.
13, 14.
15th May.
Highly obliged.
I predicted as well.
Yeah, please, your lordship, with consent of the other side, I beg to mention item number 26, lordship.
Yes.
My senior, you doctor, his father admitted in the hospital, lordship, so. Matter may be
On
accepted.
request made on behalf of Mr. Yu Datta, learned counsel for the petition, list the matter after 2 weeks.
27, madam.
Hmm?
Item 27.
Yes.
Let the matter be taken. Paper to next week, madam.
Have you taken the consent?
Yes, I will talk about it.
You take the consent first before I pass to you.
Sir, still, I could not talk.
So you should
I
have,
will-
you should take your the consent before you make
Yes,
it.
sir, I will inform. Her. I will.
No, later on again, she'll come and complain.
No, madam.
You first take your consent, I'll keep it on the list. When it reaches, you mention. Yes.
May it please your lordship, I beg to mention item number 48. Lordship, here, government has filed an affidavit. We want to file, affidavit in reply.
Hmm.
Kindly grant us 2 weeks.
Your good name,
As Basha,
you are bring on behalf of
SP Das.
SP Das,
Yes, lordship.
48.
Yes, lordship.
On request made on behalf of Mr. SP Das, learned counsel for the petition. List the matter after 2 weeks. To enable the petitioner to file reply to the counter filed by the
Petition,
counter filed by the
health department.
health department. List after 2 weeks. Yes.
Maybe also, I would like to mention on read petition for listing on the admission column regarding non-payment of pensionary benefits.
15th May.
Yes.
May I please, your lordship? Your lordship, as regards item number 34, your lordship.
Hmm.
Your lordship, learned senior counsel, Mr. Kane Chaudhary, your lordship, due to some personal difficulties, your lordship. We pray for an adjournment of this matter, your lordship.
When do you want?
On 30th of April, your lordship, next Tuesday, your lordship.
On request made on behalf of Mr. Ken Jadril and its senior counsel for the petition. List on 30th.
Much obliged, your lordship.
Item 1 of daily list, motion.
May I please, your lordship? This contempt against non-compliance of the order, Annex 2, your lordship. A relevant page, your
1
lordship.
minute.
Page 73, the last paragraph, 7. Your lordship. I submitted the copy of the order along with the copy of the writ petition
Hmm.
on 23.
Where's Mr. SSR?
SSO was there to obtain instruction.
Yes.
And I have even approached the present incumbent. Present incumbent is Mr. Deepak Kumar Gupta on 2 months back and has submitted the copy to his dealing clerk, your lordship.
Who, which incumbent?
Your present incumbent is a contempt matter, your lordship. The present incumbent is Mr. Rahul Kumar Gupta. He is holding the post of District Commissioner South Salmana.
Then you have to amend,
We have also approached your lordship. Yes, I will implement
you have to implement him.
several successor has been several
That doesn't matter, but then who's the new incumbent now?
present. Mr. Rahul Kumar Gupta.
You implement him.
It can be done, your lordship.
Without
Or,
implementing him, how can we proceed with the content?
your lordship. Your lordship may also allow me to correct the post title and issue notice to the president.
How can you correct it? You'll have to file an IA for correction of the post.
That can be done. Several,
Mr.
Majumdar, Your
R.
Lordship.
Majumdar, learned counsel for the petitioner, prays for filing, prays for weeks, 1 week time,
2 weeks.
prays for 2 weeks time to file an appropriate application for improvement of necessary parties. Prays a lot, list after 2 weeks.
So,
Have you filed your amended cost title?
Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, kindly have a look at Annexure 5, page 17.
Yes.
Lordship, there is a deduction of initial 6 years, Lordship, with a must, 6 years of service while reckoning the length of service, Lordship. That is not permissible in terms of the order passed by this honorable court. That is, I have also annexed. It is a covered case.
My lord, Lordship may dispose of the matter, directed the respondent to verify the records. As deduction of 6 years is not permitted as per considered judgment, my lord, of this honorable court.
As per which judgment?
Lordship, that is at page 20, started from page 18 and operative portion of the order at page 25. Sanjita Rai versus State of Assam. Started from page 18, Lordship, Annexure 6. Lordship may look at page 25, para 30.
Who appears on the other sides, finance and the accountant general?
The name reflected in the cause list, Lordship. Copy also
How
served.
many petitioners are here? Only one petitioner.
One.
Finance and accountant general,
Names are reflected.
names are reflected.
Can it be taken up after some time, Lordship?
After some time, we'll take, you call them.
Three.
May I please, Your Lordship? My lord, contempt petition, my lord. The order is at page. My lord, page 10, my lord, Annexure 1. This is regarding, my lord, release of pensionary benefit. The operative part is, my lord, page 16.
Page?
Page 16, my lord. Para 14, my lord.
Is it page 16 or page 14?
Page 16.
There's something wrong with the pagination.
My lord, para 14, my lord, of the order.
Hmm.
can dispose of in terms of the above, the authorities will release the pensionary bill in favor of the petitioner within 60 days.
Hmm.
So this order is, my lord, of 12/9/2023, my lord. And already this order has been communicated to the authority, my lord, on 22/9/2023, my lord.
Hmm.
So after receiving this order, my lord, DCRG and GIS amount has been already released.
Hmm.
Only the, my lord, GPF and the family pension has not been released till date. And already in the month of October, my lord, 2023, my lord, the petitioner has already submitted all the required documents, my lord, regarding to release the pension.
Heard Mr.
Case in hand.
Case in hand, and counsel for the petition. By this contempt petition, the petitioner is alleging willful disobedience of the order dated 12/9/2023, passed by this court in WBC 2746 of the 2008. So, then it counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner has received the
DCRG,
DCRD,
GIS saving,
GIS saving,
and GIS insurance and leave encashment benefit, my lord.
GIS insurance and leave engagement. However, the family pension
And GPF.
and the GPF are yet to be released by the respondents. So, issue notice. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice on the sole respondent,
Let us all respond.
on the sole respondent by registered post 80 within a period of 1 week.
Well,
Or at least after 4 weeks.
problem.
4,
May I please the lordship?
Yes.
My lord, non-compliance of the honorable court order, my lord, annexer 1, operating page, my lord, 15, there are 6 to 8, my lord. Till date, my lord, petitioner has not received the minimum scale of pay, my lord, and no communication has been taken to the petitioners, my lord. Case 15, my lord. 6 to 8, there.
Yes.
Case 15, my lord. And
Yes, heard Mr.
A Gohain.
A. Gohain on the council petitioner issue notice. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice on all the respondents by registered post 80 within 1 week. List of the 4 weeks.
Obliged, my lord.
5,
May I please, lordship? Lordship, non-compliance of the order, my lord.
Where's the
One,
order?
my lord, page number 17, my lord. Your lordship order, my lord, last paragraph. My lord, the petitioner already, my lord, registered in service, my lord. My lord,
1 minute.
only, my lord, bequest is confirmed, concerned, my lord, 50% bequest.
There was an appeal.
Appeal, my lord, my lord, page number 27, my lord. Last paragraph, my lord. My lord,
may I read, my lord, writ petitioner from service while awarding 50% backpay is based on appropriate appreciation of factual.
Para number?
My lord, last paragraph, my lord, 27 page.
Hmm.
My lord, 50% backpay is has not been paid, my lord. My lord, we have for representation, my lord,
Is your contempt petition on time?
my lord, they preferred, my lord, writ appeal, my lord,
Writ appeal was disposed on?
my lord, 28/4/2023, my lord.
28?
28/4/2023, my lord.
Okay, 28 for 2023. Okay, heard, Mr.
HP new, my lord.
HP,
New.
New Planner Council petition. Issue notice. Petitioner to take steps for service and copies on the sole respondent by registered. List of the purpose.
6.
Wait, please, your lordship.
Yes.
This matter relates to the appointment of notary public, your lordship. We have come with a very limited grievance. They were supposed to file an.
Affidavit has been
Yes,
filed.
Lordship, we have sent it for signing to the concerned officer, Lordship. I pray next week any date, Lordship. In the meantime, we file, Lordship. So vetting, we have sent it for signing.
That was what you submitted last time also.
Last time we have submitted before this registry of this honorable court for vetting. After registry return us after vetting, we corrected it and send it for signing of the concerned officer at Karbi Alam.
Let them file it, your lordship. In the meantime, we pray for an interim, your lordship.
Not interim, we will come up. Heard, Mr.
Let the matter not be finalized, your lordship. That is the only relief.
Stop. Mr.
A. Boro,
A. Boro, Learned Counsel, appearing on behalf of Mr.
CJ Mohanty.
TJ Manda, Learned Standing Counsel, Guwahati High Court, submits that affidavit has been sent for vetting,
Signing, Lordship.
for signing, and the same shall be filed within a period of
1 week.
1 week from today. Accordingly, list this matter on today's what, 24th. First. 3rd May.
Oblige.
Oblige.
7.
Instruction is received, my lord. On further scrutiny, my lord, it was found, my lord. The petitioner was found to be from a different Anganwadi center, my lord. They have certified. Excuse me.
What is your case?
So I challenge the appointment of private respondent number 9, your lordship. Come to me.
Different, they brought to the certificate. If necessary, my lord, we will bring on records in a filing, by filing affidavit.
Who's the private petitioner?
Romela Khatun.
Ramila. Okay, we will issue notice, you find your.
My lord.
Let me submit affidavit, your lordship. And private respondent already appeared, your lordship, by way of caveat, your lordship.
You are pretty.
Lordship.
Heard, Mr.
A.R. Karim, your lordship.
A.R. Karim, Learned Counsel for the petition. Issue notice. Social welfare, who appears? MS, U Sharma, then the standing counsel, junior government advocate. Enters appearance on behalf of the respondents, 1, 1, 2, and 6. Mr. S.R. Rabal, then the standing counsel, BTC. Appears for the respondents.
Three,
3, 4,
4,
5,
5, 7,
7,
8 also.
and 8. And Mr. A. Hussain, then the council appears for the respondent, private respondent number 9. Notice on respondents are complete. Respondents are allowed to file their affidavits. Do you want extra copies?
Yes, ma'am.
Extra copies of the petition, so and so on. Please, doctor.
3 weeks, ma'am.
So may I prefer fixed a date, Your Lordship? Any date, Your Lordship?
This
On me.
matter again on 27th May.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
8.
David is there? Is disposed.
Maybe, Lordship. This is matter relating to compassionate amendment, my Lordship.
Mm.
The DLC Lakhimpur by meeting dated 17/3/22, page 16, the case of the petition was recommended for the post of junior assistant. But SLC Lordship rejected without president record. They have said there is no 5% vacancy. Lordship, kindly see page 17. Page 17.
Yes.
Yes, serial number 18, Lordship. My name is Litumuni Shoikia. Third column recommended for grade 3 under executive engineer so and so, Lordship. This is the recommendation now, Lordship, page 18, Lordship. Page 18, the DLC proposal, Lordship. Serial number 1, column number 3, Lordship. Name of post, junior assistant. And column number 7, last. Number of post under 5% quota, that is one number. This is the recommendation. Now rejection, Lordship, we'll see page 19. Page 19, serial number 1, Litumuni Soikia, Lordship. This is second para, Lordship. On scrutiny of documents, the applicant was found to be eligible for consideration of family income and otherwise, but there is no vacancy within 5% quota earmarked for compassionate amendment under Irrigation Department. This is the finding. But where is clearly DSC's recommendation said that, Lordship, there is a 1 post of vacancy in grade 3, Lordship. Earlier occasion, they took time, Lordship, for 2 occasions on.
Yes, Bhattacharya.
Lordship, we have not received any instruction, Lordship. We
Yes,
already have-
government.
Earlier twice they took time, Lordship, on 4th of March and 20th of March. This is third day.
Yes,
We have written to Lordship Deputy Commissioner and
when are you getting your instruction?
Lordship may issue notice, Lordship, so
No.
that we can respond.
We can dispose of it, the motion stage.
Yes, Lord.
Once you receive.
Lordship, then allow me one more opportunity, Lordship, 2 weeks
Okay,
time.
heard Mr. S.Q. Ahmed, then it council. MS M. Bhattacharya, then it additional senior government. And Mr. N. Ubadaya, then it standing council irrigation department. Are both allowed? How much time you require?
Lordship, 10 days. 10
Are
days.
both allowed 2 weeks time to receive instructions? So, list after.
Date may be fixed, Lordship.
On the date. Please down. Okay, 13th May.
Nothing.
2,
You are appearing for finance?
Yes, Lordship.
You have any objections?
Yes, Lordship. In fact, Lordship, the principle that entire casual period has to be added as qualifying period, that principle has been overruled by the Supreme Court, Lordship. in a recent judgment law.
Which recent judgment?
It's a judgment.
The deduction of 6 years.
Lordship, initially when government decided to regularize the master roll workers, then a decision was taken that these regularized master roll workers will get new pension scheme. Subsequently, Lordship, a decision was taken that no, they will be granted the old pension scheme, but initial 6 years period will be deducted. A notification was published by the government Lordship. That notification put under silence, and our High Court Lordship set aside that notification, holding that the entire casual period has to be calculated as qualifying period. So since then, Lordship, that is Sanjita Ray judgment, Lordship. Since then, court has passed many orders, Lordship, and we are heading the entire period.
That's what we're saying.
Yes, but recently, Lordship, after this judgment, Lordship,
Where is the judgment?
yes, Lordship, I'm placing it. This is AIR 2023 supplementary 2971. I have only one copy today, Lordship. Here, Lordship, the Honorable Court holds that only the deficit period can be calculated, can be taken as qualifying period. Deficit period means, suppose he has his qualifying period is 20 years, he is less by 3 years, then only 3 years period can be counted to fulfill the criteria of 20 years.
So you want to file your affidavit?
Lordship, this is although this is a law point, Lordship. Now, after this also, Lordship, another judgment came, Lordship, that is 2023 SCC online SC 336. Here, Lordship, entire casual period has been directed to be not qualified, not to be counted as qualifying period. This was in this judgment only the deficit period. In this judgment, the entire casual period cannot be counted. So, Lordship will hear this matter, Lordship, even if affidavit is not filed, Lordship. This law points will
You
not.
want to issue, I'll issue notice.
Lordship will issue.
Okay, heard Mr. L.R. Majumdar and His counsel. Issue notice. What are you appealing for?
Plan for 1 to 3.
MSMD Bora, government advocate,
Standing council transport.
Standing Council, Transport Department. Enters appearance on behalf of respondents, 1, 2, and
3.
3. And Mr. P. Nayak, Learned Standing Council, Finance.
Yes, the respondent 4, Lordship.
Appears for respondent number 4, and Mr. R. K. Talukdar, Learned Standing Council, Accountant General, appears for the respondent number 5. Notice and respondents are complete. Respondents are allowed to file affidavit. List after 4 weeks, 3 weeks.
Lordship. 4x, Lordship.
4 weeks.
9.
Please, your Lordship. Lordship, in this matter, notice was not issued. So, Lordship may issue notice, and in the meantime, we'll file our affidavit, your Lordship.
The court intention is to dispose of the matter at motion stage. Therefore, your Lordship asked them instruction. Thereafter, the last order, your Lordship directed them to file affidavit. Let them file affidavit, my lord.
We have the preliminary instructions. We are just waiting for the paragraph wise reply.
Let them file affidavit, my lord. It can be, the case is very simple, my lord. There is no departmental, no suspension, no departmental process, no criminal case. Only a investigation is pending, and that's why our case in the seal cover, kept in the seal cover. It's nothing to be adjudicated. Only their instruction is required, my lord.
Lordship, there is a pending regular inquiry. Hence, he could not.
My lord, as
Yes,
per the
he
instruction,
kept in
never
the seal
did so.
cover, but there is also a vacancy has been kept for him. That is what we are told in the preliminary instructions.
Okay, then we'll issue notice. Let
No.
them file.
Ultimately, it will be delayed, my lord.
Miss, heard, Mr. I'll give you a date. Heard, Mr. S. Kataki, Learned Council. Issue notice. You are appealing for
The Forest Department, your Lordship.
All right, sir.
MS,
M. Kalita, your Lordship.
M. Kalita, Leonard, Standing Counsel Forest Department. Enters appearance on behalf of all the respondents, all the respondents. And prays for how much time?
2 weeks time, Your Lordship. 2 weeks time.
Prays for 2 weeks time to file affidavit. Prays a lot. List the matter on,
13th of May, my lord.
okay, 13th, or let it be 15th of May.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
10.
Wait, please. My matter pertains to my appointment of notaries, my lord.
Hmm.
The session judge, my district judge, my lord, while forwarding my lord names of candidates of one bar, my lord. While
Lordship, may kindly see the last order, some amendment petition.
that was supplied to the my lord, council,
Have you filed your amended post?
my lord.
That has to be allowed first.
জমা দিছে আছে ন কি কৰিছিলে কোৰ্টে allow কৰিছিল
Guwahati High Court, who's referring?
Possibly notice.
TJ Manda,
notice join
Notice has been gone, my lord. According to him, notice has been gone.
notice has not been issued.
no, my lord.
Lordship may issue notice.
We will issue notice.
My lord.
But Mr. PJ Cycle and the counsel for the petition. Issue notice. You are appearing for?
I'm appealing for 2, 3, and 4, man.
How about the chief secretary?
Oh, yes, 1 to 4, 1 to 4.
Mr. D. Majumdar, then the additional advocate general. Asha. Enters appearance on behalf of one respondents, 1, 2,
4.
1, 2, and 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, and 4. And TJ Manda, who has. I'll record his name.
Yes.
And
Hello.
Mr. TJ Manda, then the standing counsel, Guwahati High Court, appears for the respondent profile. Notice on respondents are complete, over extra copies. So respondents are allowed to file after the list the matter after
4 weeks.
4 weeks.
My only prayer is, my lord, some protection may be required, my lord. Since one bar is, my lord, has been, my lord, deprived.
What protection do you require at this stage?
My interim, in the form of my interim order, my lord.
What
Not-
interview? What interview?
Not to appoint any person, my lord. The selected person forwarded
That
that,
will, that
my lord.
we will list after 4 weeks.
Yes.
After the date of-
Then the observation may be made, my lord, with direction. Interim order will be considered.
Prayer for interim shall be considered on the next meeting of the date.
11.
Obliged, lord.
May I please, Your Lordship? Well, this matter is pertaining to suspension. On last occasion, Lordship, 13-3, first order, Lordship, they were directed to obtain instruction. Thereafter, Lordship, on 3/4/2024. My lord, have been placed under suspension with effect from 7/8/2023. Thereafter, Lordship, neither any Lordship, neither I have been reinstated, nor any review order has been, review reason order has been passed till date, Lordship. This is the factual matrix of this case, Lordship.
Lordship,
And-
kindly allow me 2 weeks time, Lordship. Maybe due to parliamentary election, Lordship,
No,
the
no,
Deputy
Lordship.
Commissioner Office could not respond, Lordship, to our letter.
Only short instruction is required, Lordship. Several dates your Lordship has already been given. 2, 3 dates already has gone. Matter is, Lordship, the law is settled in this regard, Lordship. There is a,
That's fine. Let's get some instruction.
that is there, my lord,
But Mr.
M. Khan, Lordship.
M. Khan, let me consider.
My lord, any date in the next week may be
One
given, Lordship.
request made by MS. Bhattacharya, the additions. List the matter on, when do you want?
Any date in the next week,
After
Lordship.
2 weeks, Lordship.
My lord, 2 weeks will be long, Lordship. On 3rd or the 2nd round.
10th May, to
Lordship.
enable her to visit.
Obliged, Lord.
12.
In this case, the order has been complied with, my lord. The
Lordship.
earlier occasion is submitted before the court and submitted to the order dated 6/4/2024, your lordship. It's a part of the record. And the Lordship, I have taken instruction, the amount has been credited to his account, my.
Lordship,
This-
kindly pass over just for the time being, Lordship. My seniors on legs.
The amount has been credited
On 22nd, you take, telephonically is taken instruction.
of this month.
Yes, day before yesterday, today is 24.
22nd of this month.
Right.
Okay, let's.
13.
It is your lordship. My lord, this is regarding a claim for consideration for promotion from junior engineer to assistant engineer. On the last occasion, my lord, the respondents took time to obtain instruction. Similar cases have been disposed of earlier, my lord. I wanted order that my case should be considered. There are two orders I have annexed, my lord, at page 57 and 63. Exactly similarly situated persons, my lord. That one is at page 57. It starts at page 58. No, I'm sorry. And their direction is that, in fact, Lord, in that case, their representation was rejected. Thereafter, he came. So those orders were set aside. Paragraph 8 at page 59. But in the case of the petitioner, my lord, his case has not been considered at all. Since remanded back to the Commission and Special Secretary to Government of Assam, PWD to consider the case of the petitioner as regards his claim for promotion to the career of Western Engineer Civil on the strength of the degree that he is presently holding. The Commissioner and Special Secretary may examine the matter and pass a reasoned order. And exactly, my lord, another order at page 63.
Yes, Gogol.
Fine. May I say, my lordship may take up on Wednesday next month, next week. Please, I will have the inspection. Or lordship will dispose it of on that table. On Wednesday.
Okay, Wednesday we are discussing of this.
Yes, sir. Otherwise, lordship will dispose it.
Third, Mr. M.K. Chowdhury, then Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. B. Bharatwaj, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, on request made by Mr. B. Gogol, then Standing Counsel,
PWD, my lord.
PWD.
On third, my lord.
This
Let's be on
matter-
third. Not Wednesday, Friday.
Okay, third May, to enable him to receive it.
Otherwise.
It's a covered case. I think.
Otherwise, yes.
Nothing
No,
much is
the
there.
direction is well to submit the representation, they will consider.
The representation already there, it has to be considered, my lord. That is the order.
Friday, my lord.
14.
Matter may be adjourned for the time being, my lord.
Why?
Advocate A daughter is on leave.
Who?
A daughter.
A Datta. Mahanda?
Let again, I will be stuck up in court number 1 the moment my case comes up, hearing matter fixed. And that is the difficulty.
What is this matter?
Matter relates to the departmental proceeding that has been drawn against me
Hmm.
by an authority who is not competent to do it. My basic first question is, who can institute a departmental proceeding against me? I am the associate professor of the that LGBI hospital, Tezpur, mental health. The person appointing authority at best is the authority, is the director. Can the OSD, officer on special duty, where is no post for the deputy director? In the name of deputy director, the person who is substantively holding a post in the finance department now has been asked to act as OSD. Can he issue the search sheet against me? My first question is this. He doesn't have this authority. If it is to be done, then it is to be done by the director himself. Director has not come to the picture. Number one. Number two, charges are of that nature that it lacks material particulars. One thing is repeatedly goes on and on and on for 3, 4, 5 charges. Note material particulars, when, who did it, how it was done, how I am liable on that count, so that I can specifically deny or say, yes, this was not related to me. Nothing. Certain issues, Lordship will see, it is a huge search sheet, certain issues on which this honorable court has held meanwhile. That there is nothing criminal trial, you can go also lodge criminal cases, they have lodged, it was final report was submitted, nothing was found, they have brought in as a charge against that also. And ultimately, I have raised this, that these are vague, no material particulars, these are, and you have no authority, but they have not listened to it. At the same time, the inquiry officer has been appointed. She happens to be the wife of the gentleman who was earlier holding the charge in that particular department in the library, and against whom I made an inquiry under the direction of the authority and found that he is involved in so many irregularities. Now the person has retired, his wife is working there, she has been appointed as the inquiry officer in that department, the proceeding against me. So totally biased. I have raised these issues, I have taken it before the appellate authority also, nobody has listened to it. And the Lordship will see, the background facts, I was suspended twice. This honorable court set aside the suspension once. Then again repeatedly on the similar grounds, they suspended me. That has been again put at naught by this honorable court. This is how they are trying, they have lodged criminal cases against me. They wanted to retire me prematurely. I have come against that order also before this honorable court. This honorable court has suspended that order. They have not been able to answer to all these. They have gone for now. Kindly see this charge sheet, my lord. The volume itself will show at page 106. Lordship will find 105 it starts. It is 22nd January 2024. Well, here, the first line, Lordship will see, I am raising question here. The director LGBRH RIMH Tezpur proposes to hold an inquiry against so-and-so, associate professor. If he proposes to hold, he is to the authority to issue it. It cannot be issued by the OSD. Now, the substance of the imputations of misconduct or misbehavior in respect of which an inquiry is proposed to be held is set out. Then the enclosed statement of articles of charges, Annexure 1, a statement of the imputation of misconduct and misbehavior in support of each article of charges enclosed is Annexure 2, list of witnesses, all that. Then Lordship will kindly come to next page 106. Lordship will find the person who has issued it, OSD, Deputy Director. Deputy Director. He has no authority. He has no authority. These are very sensitive matters. You are trying to find fault against me, and you want to inquire, and a person, I am to reply to a person who is not competent. Law doesn't authorize him to do that. On that count itself, my lord, this cannot proceed. And then see the nature of the charges, well, a few charges, if I just point out, Lordship will find how they are just trying to play with the facts. Next page at page 107. Article 1. See, so-and-so has facilitated the release of 30% advance payment of rupees so-and-so to the vendor by sending the file to the account department so-and-so, pay so-and-so, LGB file number so-and-so without executing a valid agreement. His conduct is in violation of rule so-and-so. Who was that person, in what context? Nothing. Then again, see, 2. See, so-and-so has sent the file to accounts for release of so-and-so, advance payment of such and such to the vendor. Who is that vendor? On 2437, number so-and-so, without executing a valid agreement. Same. 3. See, Setia has sent the file to the accounts for release of 30% of the advance payment of rupees such and such to the vendor on 34/2019, so-and-so, without executing a valid agreement. Well, ultimate authority, who is the authority? It is the director who is to clear all payments. Accounts department is to pay. I can only say this is for your information and necessary action, because I was holding the charge of the library at that time. I have no power to pay. I have no power to sign an agreement. It is the director who is to sign an agreement. How they are trying to harass me now. Earlier, the matter when came up before this honorable court, they sought to retire me prematurely, issuing me a notice, asking me to provide all these data. Lordship may recollect that you are to be prematurely retired. You provide me all these data against you. That was the situation. Now they are coming with this. I have given them the details. I have told them that, look, this is highly unfair. But they have not, nobody is listening to me. And they want that I should be get rid of for nothing. For nothing. Therefore, and the person who has been now appointed to inquire, she happens to be the wife of the gentleman who was holding the post of the library in charge till the other day, now retired, against whom there were allegations, lot many irregularities, allegations of irregularity. I was asked to inquire. I have inquired. I have submitted a report. CBI inquired, found anomalies against him. Authority did nothing. Now the wife of that person has been appointed to inquire against me. This is how they are trying to play with. Therefore, my responsible submission, let a notice go, let them respond to it. Let them show, can a fair inquiry be made? Can there be a fair inquiry to find a person guilty under such situations? Whether the person who has issued the search sheet has the authority to do it. And kindly see, Mala, these issues they have raised relates to 8 years, 9 years back. Issues which are that they are now trying to dug up relates to 8, 9 years back. This is how they are trying, but at the same time, they are not specific. After all, these have serious consequences against my career. Therefore, it cannot be so lightly taken. And everybody and anybody just holding certain post will just issue a notice and you do it. That authority tries to impose something is unfair.
Where's data?
He's on late, my lord.
Which court?
Court 1, item 60.
What do we do now?
And in that case, today it may not be possible again at a later point of time or immediately after 10, 15 minutes. Yes.
Okay. Just sometime.
Yes. If immediately he can come.
He's on late, item 60 will court.
How long he might take there? Matter is being heard there. Or he is waiting for the item.
No, he's for item 60.
Going on. So it may be finished early. After some time, Malak, at least now it is at 11:30. Let us see. Double
15.
May I please? The petitioner here agreed by the order dated 31/5/23. There is page number 87. This is page 87. Whereby the claim for the minimum pay scale has been rejected by the authority. That is the petition.
Anybody appearing for a petition?
My lord, this matters have been already been dealt by this honorable court. What has happened, this is 31/5/2023. Thereafter, we have come up with an office order. And after that office order, my lord, the similar cases has been dealt by the same bench. So the order is there, I've given a part of this order. So it can be disposed in the same lines.
This is for the enhancing the salary of the employee, but I'm here to claim for the minimum pay scale of the employee.
So my lord, in that case, he has to challenge this office order because
Let
that
them
office order is being that office order has been brought in the record after.
Have you got a copy of this office order?
Yes, my lord, this has been speaking order has been
They are
passed.
saying that this order is only for enhancing the salary, my lord. Yes, my lord. But here the order is different, my lord, in the High Court order, my lord. here the Honorable High Court has already directed to pay the minimum pay scale of the employee.
No, my lord, the High Court order was, my lord, I would, face to use my lord's order itself. That, at page 6, my lord.
Yes.
Yes, my lord. The petitioner are receiving commission at so and presently getting so which are paid through the bank account of it. In the board meeting of the APDCL held on 28 June 2023 by resolution number, it was resolved for fixation and increase of wages for outsourced workers in APDCL who are getting direct payment from APDCL and converting them to contractual workers under APDCL and productive use of outsourced workers. They are in the same category. They are the same category. However, the petitioners were not getting direct payment from APDCL and not being given the increased wages. They have filed a present petition the following prayers. These are the prayers, my lord. Now, their second prayer, direct the respondent to make arrangement for direct payment to the account of the petitioner, and my lord, to grant all which are legally entitled and after perusal of records being shown. During the course of hearing, so and so, the APDCL pursued the office order 2/12/2023, the same order which I have given, my lord. There, upon due consideration of the board of resolution dated so and so, and after the document of verification, my lord had directed that they will submit the representation and accordingly this office order. So now how can my lord give another order? The same cause of action, same people. If he has to challenge, he has to challenge the office order.
My lord,
this resolution and this order were there for everyone. And my lord may see his petition, my lord. He has himself has admitted that they are outsourced workers, they were outbilled workers at para 2.
May supplement. The page number 56. It is my earlier order. It is W petitioner 5629. I have approached earlier, madam. The relevant portion is page number 56. Earlier, I have approached once, madam. This
Yes.
5629. This is my W petition number. The relevant portion is page number 61, paragraph 9.
Yes.
61. My lord. May I read, my lord? Accordingly, the respondent APDCL is directed to consider the cases of the individual petitioners, and if they are found to have been working for more than 10 years after the judgment of Umadevi so and so, and were working against a sanctioned vacant post, and one-time measures may be made for their regularization if any of the petitioners are found not to have been worked for more than 10 years after 10/4/2006, but have worked for more than 10 years in the meantime. The respondent may consider them for a benefit of providing them this salary at least in the minimum pay scale that are otherwise payable to an equivalent regularly appointed employees, which again would be consistent with the direction of the division bench of this honorable court in the judgment dated 8/6/2017.
My lord, and thereafter, my lord, also read para 10. It's a request.
As regard any of the petitioners who may not have satisfied the requirement of having worked continuously for 10 years, we request the respondent APDCL to also consider their cases and find out a suitable economic package for them as per the acceptable of the respondent APDCL order accordingly. Here, I am here in the category of.
Where in the category of which category?
My lord. Here, my lord, but work for more than 10 years in the meantime, my lord. In the meantime, I have completed 14 to 15 years, my lord. So I am this category, my lord. In the meantime, I have completed 10 years, my lord. So I am entitled for the minimum pay scale, my lord.
My lord.
So after that, they issued this order.
Yes, my lord. There is not minimum pay scale, but
my lord,
only enhancing the salary of the employee, my lord.
May I just submit? My lord, they had not completed 10 years of service as on 1/4/2006. Uma Devi has been very clear that as on 1/4/2006, you have to complete 10 years. Lordship judgments, earlier judgment, which my friend has been relying, that has also been clearly stated. He is admitting the fact that he has not been completed the services till 1/4/2010 years. So he will not fall in the minimum pay scale, he will fall in the scale after that.
No. One thing is that up to Uma Devi 1/4/2006.
Yes.
After that, if they've completed 10 years, that is a different issue.
Yes, that is for that.
Second part is,
yes,
even if they have not completed 10 years on 1/4/2006,
yes,
but they've completed 10 years in the meantime.
Yes, my lord.
They may be
So, my lord, in my office
Minimum
order,
pay scale, yes.
my office order, which I have given, equal or more than 10 years, 17 to 10,000, 17,000 rupees. Third,
Where's that?
third, my lord. It's been there.
Third para.
No, my lord, if my lord's office orders or high court order also reflects it at page 8, at column 3. My lord's order, high court's order, and even in the office order, column 3, equal or more than 10 years, 17,000.
Yes.
My lord, here, page number 89, annexure 8.
No, have you got a copy of this order?
No, my lord, they have not provided me. Let them file affidavit, my lord, then.
No, you furnish a copy.
My lord, I've taken for.
I have seen one, but
This is part of the order. Same cases have been dealt with, my lord.
but I am entitled for the minimum pay scale, my lord. This is only enhancing the salary.
My lord, this notification, government notification is not.
See the column 3.
My lord. 50. My lord. Well, let the case be fixed day after tomorrow, my lord. I will take instruction from my client, my lord. After on that day,
And my
we
lord,
dispose of
my lord, before my lord passes, my lord, the notification is relying on. That is state government notification. That is not implied upon us. We are APDC, we are a corporation. We have to take our own board of resolution with regard to whether we have taken or not.
Day after tomorrow, my lord, I will take instruction of that.
On request made by Mr.
A Boro, my lord.
A Boro is also for the. This is the matter again on
Day after tomorrow, my lord.
Friday.
26th.
Yes, my lord. Obliged, sir.
16.
Yes.
So in this petition, my lord, the petitioner is a disabled person, Manus, and holding a certificate of 60% permanent disability mercy issued by the competent certifying authority under the 2016 Act, my lord. My lord, being a person with this benchmark disability, he participated in the selection process, and he has duly qualified, and he has been selected. He has been selected for appointment, my lord. That
Where
is,
the against which advertisement?
my lord, advertisement, my lord, annexure. Page 40, my lord. Page 40, my lord. The advertisement for the fill up for the backlog vacancies of different grade 3 and grade 4 reserved for persons with disabilities, my lord.
Yes.
Then, my lord, kindly
You
see.
applied for which post?
Yes, my lord, page 48. This is the select list, my lord. Page 48, my lord. On the top, my lord, department wise list of candidates as appeared in persons of the judgment that is so and so, my lord. For PWD candidates for appointment, my lord.
Yes.
The petitioner roll number is, my lord, 175, serial number 175, my lord, 2025454, my lord. Director of Medical Education, my lord. Under the category of locomotor disability, my lord, he has selected for appointment under the Director of Medical Education, my lord. And this select list was published on 31/1/2023, my lord. But subsequently, this honorable court by order, my lord, the validity of the select list has been extended. That is, my lord, page 72, my lord. My lord, after selection, my lord, the authorities constituted a medical board, my lord, especially medical board, my lord, to reassess the percentage of disabilities of the.
1 minute. Extension of the validity of the select list.
Yes.
Was not for all. It was only for those petitioners.
Yes, I am was also the petitioner in that case.
In that petition.
Yes, my lord. Then, my lord, the page, my lord, 53, my lord.
Page
53, my lord. I approach this honorable court, my lord, for not issuing my appointment order, my lord. This page 53, my lord.
Yes.
Page 53, my lord. Relevant portion, my lord. Page 59.
Yes.
Page 59. My lord, bottom, my lord. Last paragraph. As such, without expressing any opinion on the stand of the learned Departmental Council or the findings and observation of the medical board, these decisions are being disposed of by directing the respondent to communicate the decision of the authorities pertaining to the individual disability status vis-a-vis their claim for appointment of each of the writ petitioners against the post applied for in writing within 4 weeks from the date of receipt of the certificate of this order. Liberty is granted to the writ petitioner to assail the decision of the medical board or Department of Social Justice by filing for a writ petition, my lord. Then, my lord, pursuant to the order, my lord.
You're not coming with your factual, you're not coming with the proper facts. You appeared for the exam.
Yes.
You were selected.
Yes.
Correct.
Yes.
You were made to go for another medical test, correct?
Yes.
That medical test report was not given to you.
Yes. And now he has given, the authority has given, my lord, page 61.
That's what I want to know.
Yes. Page 61, my lord.
Yes.
Page 61. The medical board has given me the 30% disability, my lord, which is below the benchmark. My benchmark is the 40% disability. My lord. The even, my lord, admittedly, my lord, 30% disability, he belongs to a disabled person, my lord, and he entitled the rights and protection of the 2016 Act, my lord.
Oh,
my lord, because the Act, my lord, defined the person with disability and person with benchmark disability, my lord. My lord, if your lordship kindly see the 2016 Act, my lord. Even I have, my lord, in my writ petition, I have quoted the.
Yes, 2016 Act.
Definition, my lord.
Definition 2.
Definition 2, my lord. S.
2S.
S, my lord.
Yes.
Person with disability means a person with long-term physical, mental, intellectual, or sensory impairment, which in interaction with the barriers hinders his full and effective participation in society equally with others, my lord. Then, my lord, kindly see R, my lord. R, my lord. Close R. Above, my lord, that above. Person with benchmark disability, my lord. Person with benchmark disability means a person with not less than 40% of a specified disability, where the specified disability has not been defined in measurable terms, and includes a person with disability where the specified disability has been defined in measurable terms as certified by the certifying authority, my lord.
So you come under R, isn't it?
Yes, R, and also, my lord, as certified by the certifying authority, my lord. My lord, I am holding a certificate, my lord. My lord, kindly see, my lord, page, my lord. Annexure 2A, my lord. Page 38. Page 38, my lord.
Yes.
Yes. This is the certificate issued by the issuing authority, my lord, under the PWD Act, my lord. My lord, A, he is a case of locomotor disability. The diagnosis in his case is locomotor. He has 60% permanent disability in relation to his locomotor, as per guideline, my lord, guideline for the person specified date is 4/1/2018, my lord. My lord, the authority, my lord. If your lordship kindly see for a moment page 32, the notification.
Yes.
My lord, in pursuance of the enactment of the 2016 Act, my lord, this notification has been issued, my lord, notifying the certifying authority, my lord, middle paragraph, my lord, the certifying authority shall follow, my lord, University of the so-and-so. The governor is pleased to notify the Joint Director of Health Services of respective district as certifying authority under section 57, 1 and 2 of the said act for issue of certificate designated within their local jurisdiction. The certifying authority shall follow the procedure for rectification for certification as laid down under section 58, 1, 2, 3 of the said act and relevant provision of the rules thereunder. Further, the governor is pleased to notify the Director of Health Services Assam as appellate authority for appeals against the decision of certifying authority for issue of certificate designated under section 51, 59, 1 and 2 of the right of person with disability 2016, my lord. My lord, the certificate holding by the petitioner, my lord, has not been challenged anywhere, my lord. If somebody is aggrieved by that certificate.
Here, according to this notification, it is the Joint Director of Health Services
Yes, my lord.
who issued the certificate.
My lord, issuing of the joint director, my lord, to the concerned district, my lord.
Joint Director,
Shiv Sagar, my lord, issuing medical authority, Shiv Sagar, my lord.
Medical Authority. Medical Authority means what?
My lord, joint director, my lord.
Is that correct, Google?
Yes, under the act, my lord, it's the joint director who will finally issue the certificate.
So his certificate at page 38.
Yes, sir. Issuing medical authority, Sibsagar.
And my lord, if your lordship kindly, my lord, honorable apex court held, my lord, in Vikas Kumar case, my lord, discussing the scheme of the act, my lord, the honorable apex court
No, proceed.
my lord, says that, my lord, also had that the denial of right and entitlements of the disabled persons on the warrant of benchmark disability is ultra-vires the provision of the 2016 Act, my lord.
Today, my lord, what he wants, that is the issue, my lord. Today is
Actually, what do you want today?
My lord, notice may be issued, my lord, one post may be reserved for my lord petitioner, because the advertisement has been issued subsequently, my lord, one advertisement has been issued for filling up date for post, my lord. That is.
My lord, he has been probably protected by the honorable court already.
No,
In the earlier writ petition, the select list has been extended up to 2025.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
My lord, where is the
So then you're
keeping a
protected.
But my lord, advertisement has been issued, my lord, 69.
Advertisement may have been issued, but then the protection is only by extension of the select list.
That's.
Then why should we unnecessarily issue orders? If you want to issue notice, we can issue notice at this stage. But Mr.
SK Roy.
SK Roy Learned Council for the petition. Issue notice. Personal Department. Who affairs? MS. You. Sharma, Learned Standing Council. Learned Government Advocate.
Correspondent numbers 1 and
Appears for respondent number 1 and
4.
1 and 4. Social Justice and Empowerment. Mr.
C. Sharma on behalf of Mr. RM Das.
Okay, I'll just record RM Das. Mr. RM Das.
Lordship, no, he's out of question.
Okay, Mr. C. Sharma, Learned Council. Enters appearance on behalf of Mr. RM Das, Learned Standing Council. Social Justice and Empowerment Department for the respond number 2. Health you are appearing,
My
Mr.
lord,
P.
yes.
Gogoi, Learned
3,
Standing Council.
6,
Health
7 and 8.
appears for respondents. 3,
6, 7 and 8.
6, 7 and 8. Guwahati University notice will have to go. Anybody? There's a standing council of Guwahati University.
Yes, my lord. No, not, copy has been started. PJ Fukan.
Mr. PJ Fukan and the standing council Guwahati University appears for respond number 5. Notice on respondents are complete, however, extra copies. Respondents are allowed to file counter list after 4 weeks.
Minor. Obvious.
17.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, matter regarding family pension, Lordship.
Yes.
Herein the petitioner is the second wife, Lordship,
Oh,
and document number 8 is the first wife. Herein, Lordship, the petitioner praying for proportionate family pension.
mm,
The first wife and her children are not maintaining good relation with the petitioner, Lordship. As a result, the petitioner and her minor son is living separately, Lordship. And under such circumstances, if the entire amount is released in favor of the respondent number 8, Lordship, who is the first wife, Lordship, then Lordship, petitioner will suffer, Lordship.
mm.
Lordship, page 16 is the PPO relevant person, Lordship.
Annexure?
Annexure 1, Lordship. Below, Lordship.
What date is this?
It is PPO, Lordship.
Hmm?
Pension payment order, Lordship.
Mm.
Lordship, the name of the employee Sri Mofidul Islam, Lordship. He was Inspector of Police and retired from service on 28 to 2022, Lordship.
Mm.
Then, Lordship, below version, the first wife's name, serial number 1, Sufia Khatun, Lordship.
No, I don't get it. Okay. Yes.
Then, Lordship, page 18, Lordship, death certificate. Name of the deceased Mofidul Islam, Lordship. And name of husband, wife, Mahmuda Parvin. She is the present petitioner, Lordship.
Hmm?
Name of the deceased Mofidul Islam, Lordship. Then, Lordship, age of the deceased 61 years. On the right side, Lordship, name of the husband, wife, Lordship, Mahmuda Parvin, present petitioner.
Mm.
Then, Lordship, he has one son, Lordship, who is aged about 13 years, Lordship, page 19. Lordship, next at 3, Lordship.
Mm.
Mehtabul Islam, date of birth 15/4/2011, Lordship.
Mm.
Mother's name Mahmuda Parvin, present petitioner, and father's name Mofidul Islam, Lordship.
Mm.
Then, Lordship, next of kin, Lordship, page 20. Annexure 4, relevant portion, page 21. Serial number 1, Lordship, Sufia Khatun, first wife, Lordship. Serial number 2, Mahmuda Parvin, second wife, present petitioner, Lordship. And serial number 6, Lordship, Mehtabul Islam, son of the present petitioner, Lordship.
Mm.
Lordship, in this regard, the petitioner submitted representation, Lordship, page 24. On 29/2/2014 and another page 25, 6/4/2024, Lordship, before the Treasury Officer, Lordship.
Yes. Notice will go. But Mr.
Yes, Alam, Lordship.
Yes, Alam, then we counsel to the petition. Issue notice. You are appealing for?
Respondent 5, Lordship, on behalf of Mr. B. Sharma.
Okay, 5, Pension and public grievance. MS U. Sharma, Leonard, government advocate. Appears for respondents 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, and 7.
1, 2, 3, 4, and 7. And MS
B. Mohan.
D. Mountain, Leonard Council. Appears on behalf of Mr.
B. Sharma.
P. Sharma. Leonard, Standing Council.
Accountant General.
Accountant General for the respondents 5. And Mr. B. Gogoi for respondent 6. Leonard, Standing Council. Finance. Yes, sir. Appears for the respondent number 6. Stop. Extra copies to furnish the so and so. Petitioner will take steps for service of notice on respondent number 8 by the district post lady within 1 week. List the matter after 4 weeks.
The date may be given.
Let it come after 4 weeks.
Lordship, my interim prayer may be considered, Lordship.
Interim prayer will consider after notice is served on the prayer for interim shall be considered on the next interim.
Must.
12.
Before holidays, my lord, my learned friend preparing for the respondents handed over a order dated 6th.
According to the
I was not getting the increment, so therefore my grievance is there. Now, in the pay scale, my lord, it is fine. The pay band 34,000 so and so per month with effect from 1/7/23. It has been given. My lord, only one area is, my lord, to be cleared. Increment includes 3 things, my lord, it affects. Number 1, house rent allowance. Number 2, DNS allowance. Number 3, scale increment. This has been given. There is problem is on, my lord, DPS, NPS new pension deduction contribution from me. Where, my lord, I have showed by the same appointment order, one lady marshal was also appointed. From her salary, Shatabdi Datta, from her salary, 12,000 and odd rupees have been being deducted for area contribution, for pension contribution, and from me it is less, 11,000 and odd. So that may be clarified. If that is, my lord, given, my lord, my entire grievance will be met. My lord, let her take instruction solitarily on this point.
That may be observed in the order. In the meantime, I'll try to take instruction.
Let's have a look at
you have got the every pay.
No, I'm going to get the increments in July. Every July the increment falls.
No, what do you want? What do you want?
My lord, here I am saying. Kindly have a look at the order.
That I've seen.
And these 2 things. My lord, petitioner, lordship will find my pension contribution from me is deducted 11,000 and odd. And the same day appointee, it is being deducted because of the increment cut, my lord. It has been done to me. And from the other incumbent, my lord, lordship will see it is there, Shatabdi day, 12,000 and odd. So that will, my lord, if this continues, this will hamper my lord, pension, NPS, because less amount is being deducted per month from me towards the pension fund. So that may be clarified. If that is, my lord.
But the document.
I'll supply. I will supply.
Yes, by my learned senior friend today, my
Lordship may oblige that the NPS
repetition,
NPS contribution deducted from my salary. That should be, my lord. Instruction will be given by.
No, NPS contribution deducted from your salary.
Yes.
So what instruction do you want?
Because of the increment, withholding of the increment, they are releasing the other things, but they are silent about this. It is from withholding, because of the withholding of the increment, the less amount is being deducted to the pension fund from me.
Lordship, the document submitted by my learned senior friend,
those two
not a
documents
part of the repetition. Today they have
No,
submitted.
list petition I have annexed. This is the
You
latest
said
one.
6-4.
This is the latest one after this instruction. List petition also in page 40 and 41. File one. Mogati list. So that area remains. If that is my lord met with my lord, my lordship will close the petition on that instruction. Then go into the detail of the merit.
In your writ petition, you are praying for the to release the annual increments.
Annual increment with all its my lord
Other
imports and
factors.
purpose.
Oh.
With all its imports and purpose.
That you have got it.
Not only this is to be resolved, my lord. This is to be resolved. The contribution because of the cut in increment, less contribution has been deducted from me to the pension fund. Thereby, I will be affected. I will be getting less pension.
Mr. A.C. Barbara, Leonard, Senior Counsel submits that the
Because of the withholding.
that due to the withholding of the annual increment, the in-piece contribution of the petitioner is been deducted at an amount of rupees 11,630 per month.
Is
Correct.
deducted to the pension fund,
Deducted to the pension fund,
which is less.
which according to the petitioner is less, and the same would affect his pensionary benefits in future. Correct.
Correct. My lordship may compare it with the same day's appointee, 12,000.
He also submits
Same by
that
same appointment order. Both of
persons
us
who
were
were appointed along with the petitioner
Satabdi.
on the same day by the same appointment order,
Satabdi Datta.
namely Satabdi Datta, SATAPBI Datta,
From whom
from whom the annual, from whom the
monthly
NPS
monthly deduction.
monthly contribution is deducted at an amount of rupees 12,142. Correct.
Correct, my lord.
Okay.
That is as in the month of March, last March.
MS B. Buyan, and Senior Counsel, appearing for the respondents,
All minor.
appearing for all the respondents. Prays for some time to enable her to receive instructions.
I don't have a copy of.
I'll give, my lord, that copy I'll
submitted
give,
by
my
my
lord.
learned senior.
I'll get a Xerox and then.
I record this copy also.
Yes, my lord. My junior will get it Xerox and.
Praise allowed. When do you want?
Lordship, after 2 weeks time.
Release the matter after 2 weeks.
But Lordship, my learned senior, he can
Yeah.
instruct his junior to
Yeah.
bring this document on record by way of additional
My lord,
affidavit.
Within half an hour, my lord.
You first, you take the instructions, then we'll.
Within half an hour, my lord. Let's say I give that two documents. One for court's record and one for her, my lord. Well, oblige, lord.
18.
May it please the laws. My lord, the petitioner is the selected candidate for Anganwadi Center, namely by Begao Anganwadi Center in Hodai districts under the CGPO respondent number 4. My lord, I beg to draw your lordship attention to page 44 kindly.
Yes.
Page 44, my lord, your lordship kindly see. Heading is select list for the post of Anganwadi workers under the Alpakuri ICPS project Hojai. My name is at serial 6, my lord. Begao Center, name of the center is Begao Center, Suhana Begum. Selected candidate, my lord. This list was, and there, my lord, as many as.
This list is dated, what date?
The list is followed by the directors, preceded by the director's order, that annexure. Director's order, my lord, at page. Annexure 2, page 18.5, sorry, my lord. Director's order dated 5/3/2024. 2024, my lord. This was placed before the director. The list was prepared by the CDPO and the District Social Welfare Officer. My lord, at the bottom of page 44, your lordship kindly see the DSW, District Social Welfare Officer, Chairman of Selection Committee, and the Child Development Officer of the concerned CDPO office, my lord. They are the authorities, total 40 numbers, and my serial is at page 6, and serial 6. This list was, this is the select list of.
Okay, this was approved.
This list was approved,
Yes,
except
then
my post, my lord. Kindly see, now the impugn order it at page 41, column number 3, my lord. Your lord, page 41. It continues from page 40 and page 41, my lord. Approval for the post of Anganwadi workers at Belgaum Anganwadi Center is held up. A complaint was received from Fauzia Tabassum, who was a candidate for the said post regarding anomalies of the selection for the post of Anganwadi worker at the said Anganwadi Center. As per the inquiry report submitted by the District Social Welfare Officer, kindly note, my lord, Fojai, it is mentioned that the family of the Srimati Fauzia Tabassum is a permanent resident of Belgaum village and demarcated proposal of Anganwadi Center area, and they are living in this area for last 10 years. The CDPO is directed to place the matter in the selection committee of the and re-advertise the said post for covering all eligible candidates of that area. That means my selection is held up and it is directed by the director on the basis of the inquiry report of the District Social Welfare Officer that my selection is, there is anomalies. My kindly, the district social officer is one of the members in the select list. I have drawn your lordship attention. Chairman, district social welfare officers, the chairman of the selection committee.
Yes, then.
Now see, my lord, kindly see, annexure. The impugn order is annexure 41. I have read out before your lordships. The candidature of private respondent Fauzia Tabassum, she belongs to a different village, my lord. My lord, I draw in this respect, I draw your lordship attention to voter list, page annexure 5, page 47. Your lordship might have got it, my lord. Voting center 143 Milik Basti LP School. Name of the husband of the that is a serial 40 of the voter list, Hussein Ahmed Chaudhry, and 42 the name of the Fauzia Tabassum of that village, my lord. A quite completely different village in another part. And her selection was rejected. Her candidature was rejected, my lord. Kindly see page 33. Page 33. Heading is, my lord. It is hereby informed that as per the letter memo number dated so-and-so, date 10/1/2023. Kindly note, my lord, 10 was 23 of the undersigned under Dilpukri the Dolpukri ITS project out of newly additional approved 58 Anganwadi centers against 41 Anganwadi centers. Various candidates having applied. This cancellation list is rejected rejected candidate is given below. Fauzia Tabassum, my lord, your lordship, Milik Basti, Belgaum Center, Fauzia Tabassum, outside the survey area of the concerned village. In the vernacular portion at page 38, my lord, it is vernacular, it is maybe inconvenient for your lordships. Milik Basti, a candidate, Anganwadi candidate, Bahirore candidate. So she is a candidate, respondent number, private respondent number 4, is a candidate outside the concerned center. So her candidature was rejected by the selection committee earlier. And your lordship kindly see, the very selection is prepared by the district social welfare officer and the concerned CDPO. Now, in the impugn order, interestingly, your lordship kindly see, the director has mentioned about approval of the Anganwadi Center at Baigao Anganwadi Center is held up. A complaint was received from Fauziya Tabassum, who at page 41, my lord, who was a candidate for the said post regarding anomalies of the selection of the post.
Okay, yes.
Lordship, I need to see instruction.
How the district officer,
And notice may we go to the private respondent, Lordship.
Yes, but Mr. MH Rajbar, we have done it council for the petition. Chain notice. MS
8 Alukdar
8 Alukdar,
or 1 to 4.
then it's standing council,
And Lordship, government advocate, junior government advocate,
junior government advocate, prepares for the respondents, 1 to 4, correct?
1 to 4.
Petitioner will take steps for service of notice on the respondent by registered for 1 week. Yes. List of the 4 weeks.
my lord, in the meantime, my lord, pending the matter, the impugn part of the annexure 3, my lord, director's instruction to the CDPO may kindly be stayed, my lord. Otherwise, the entire matter will be in practice.
Respondent, Lordship.
I will take steps by registered post on respondent report today itself. So the impugn direction given to the CDPO concerned may kindly be stayed, my lord, till the returnable days.
In the appointment is Lordship.
আমার ইনস্ট্রাকশন এনকোয়ারি করিব দিছে আর রি-এডভার্টাইজ করিব দিছে otherwise matter will be in fractious man. I leave it to your kind consideration.
Now we'll consider on the returnable date.
So it may kindly be mentioned in the order, my lord, otherwise
Shall be considered on the
Deeply obliged, Lordship.
obligement.
Lord, item 40.
Item 14.
Yes, madam.
Yes, doctor.
Yes, my lord.
The allegation of the petitioner is that the memorandum of or the show cause has been issued by an officer not competent to do so.
The deputy director is there, my lord, it is designated post, it is created by the
The appointing authority is the director, correct?
yes.
Is a director.
No, my lord, the director is the appointing authority. But the constitution and the constitution empowers the director to delegate his power to the, but the subordinate official cannot pass the final order. Well, the Honorable Supreme Court also says, madam, that it is not matter that the subordinate authority should initiate the DP or, but the final order should be passed by the appointee.
No, that is final order.
My lord, it is a designated post, my lord. A designated post.
But is the OST the appropriate authority, the competent authority?
Yes, competent.
Hmm?
And other case, my lord, in 40. 402, my lord, 402 of 2024.
Who is that?
My lord.
That
402.
memorandum?
Memorandum is at page
10.
105, 106.
105.
Yes, 105 it is there. And it
That is
106,
specific allegation is.
106 is the persons.
It is
See,
applicable.
as per this, The post of project engineer has
Yes.
been redesignated to deputy director until further orders.
It is recommended by the
Project engineer, he is the deputy director, he is designated.
Yeah, he
He is the
is
project director. I mean, project engineer only.
my lord,
and who is this OST?
OSD is the OSD, he was holding the
Over-
post, substantive post of
special duty man.
Officer on
Town.
special duty, yes, not the
Of-
post,
not the project engineer.
no.
No, project in it is that the government of India says that there should not be increase, should not be creation of new post. But it for
So
the
there will
sake-
be no creation of
No,
new post of project engineer.
my lord,
So project engineer as per the
Or deputy
executive
director.
council has been redesignated as deputy director.
yes,
But whether the OSTs have also having the equivalent thing as a deputy director?
deputy director, my lord, on the approval of the director, my
that cannot be.
post is there, my lord, deputy director.
No, kindly see the RTI reply they have given to us, we have annexed it.
Where's-
Page 223, our question first lordship will see, page 223. Lordship got it, my lord? 223.
Yes.
Then down below, in that box, lordship will find 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. Column 2, our question was kindly provide true copies of the information from competent authority of the government regarding creation, conversion of the post of deputy director, LGBRHM, Tezpur, published in the National Career Service Portal with job ID so and so. This was posted there, posted on 8622 attached. Now reply comes next page. 224. Question number 2, lordship will see in the middle. Not available. The advertisement has been cancelled, withdrawn due to administrative technical reason. The same has been intimated in the portal. So they initiated the process that has been technical because there is no post, no creation, nothing. Therefore, they abandoned that, they cancelled it. No post, nothing. That is why we are saying a person is not competent. Let them say in affidavit who is competent here. Why not? If the director is there, why not the director is acting? What prevents the director to come forward directly? Who is the appointing authority?
Okay, heard Mr. K.K. Mandan, then a senior counsel, assisted by Mr.
K. Foucault.
KK Pukon.
K.K. Fukal on the council. Issue notice. Mr. A.K. Datta,
Yes, ma'am.
do not, CGC,
This is an standing council of LBC Regional Institute of Mental Health.
CGC, as well as standing council,
Of
LGBRIMH, correct?
yes,
Damage.
Appears for respondents, 1 to
1 to 4, my lord.
1 to
1 to 4.
1 to 4 is by person, 1 to 3, I think. 4 and 5 is by way of
1 to 3.
1 to 3, correct?
Yes. Mr. Deori is there, my lord, he is their director. But I have to file an affidavit or reply in the name of directors, my lord.
No, by
Because
That is a different issue. Filing an affidavit on behalf of the director is a different issue.
different.
SK Deori is implicit by name,
By-
so he'll have to appear himself.
Then 1 to 3, man.
1 to 3, stop. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice on respondents 4 and 5 by registered post within 1 week.
Yeah.
1 week from today. List the matter after 4 weeks
Yes, ma'am.
in the
Will-
interim, comma,
In the meanwhile, my lord,
the further proceeding
My lord,
of the disciplinary proceeding, the further proceedings of the disciplinary, of the, what is it? Of the-
disciplinary proceeding.
Of the disciplinary proceeding shall remain suspended. Till the next week.
my lord, in the same issue, my lord, this court, honorable court passed that department proceedings should be initiated and should be proceeded. In for the same year, same issue, my lord.
That we'll see later on.
If,
I have already passed it.
yes, court has not said that you do illegally. You may have recourses in law. You may proceed. Oblige.
If you have some difficulty, you can approach by way of filing an IA
Yes.
for vacation of the interim order. But the interim order is only up to the returnable date.
Yes.
Then we'll see after you file your.
Oblige.
Just 5 minutes.
Appointed as a junior assistant, my lord, and petitioner number 2 has been appointed as a LDA in the year 2000, and the petitioner number 1 has been appointed in the year 1999, my lord. Since then, they are working as a my lord, junior assistant and LDA, my lord, in their respective establishment, my lord. In the meanwhile, my lord, when their senior assistant was retired, my lord, they are allotted the work of senior assistant as a temporary basis, my lord. Here, the petitioners are aggrieved by the, my lord, order of promotion order, my lord, at page 44, my lord. Whereby, my lord, 11 numbers of candidates has been promoted to the post of senior assistant from junior assistant, my lord. My lord, kindly note the serial number 1, Lalit Chandra Pegu. My lord, this promotion has been, my lord, given as per the gradation list, my lord, at page 39, my lord.
Yes.
Lalit Chandra Pegu, who is, my lord, kindly see, my lord, he is a STP candidate, my lord. Schedule tribe plain, my lord. And my name, our name is at petitioner number was it the serial number 15 and 16. Petitioner number 2 is a 16. Here, my lord, that 11 numbers has been promoted, my lord. So out of 11, my lord, numbers, my lord, serial number 2 of the gradation list, serial number 3, serial number 6, serial number 7, and serial number 9. They have refused to take the promotion, my lord. My lord,
serial number
2, 3, 6, 7, and 9. My lord, therefore 5 gone, my lord. Then we'll come at serial number 10 and 11, my lord, at the promotion list. My lord will find that where they have refused to take the promotion, my lord, at page 48, my lord. That is the minutes of the, my lord, promotion order. Page 48, my lord, will see at serial number 5, my lord. Padma Modi, who is at serial number 2 at gradation list. Jatin Datta, who is at serial number 6. Sanjeev Kumar Pegu. Out of these names, my lord, 5 are senior than me, my lord. They have refused to take the promotion, my lord. Of the gradation list, I have requested not to consider their promotion due to personal ground. So and so, my lord. Therefore, my lord, I am deprived, my lord. Even the, my lord, the Lalit Chandra Pregu, who is promoted at serial number 1, he is candidate of the ST plane, my lord. He is promoted as a unreserved category, my lord.
Where's that promotion order?
Promotion order, my lord, at page 44. And my lord, the page 47 is the minutes from which the promotion has been given. I have got through RTI, my lord.
Page 40.
44 is the promotion order, my lord. My notes is page 47, my lord.
Yes.
Here, my lord, serial at the promotion order, my lord, serial number 9, 10, 11 has been filled up through backlog vacancy, my lord. As ST plain, 1 as ST hills, 1 and 1 is scheduled caste category, my lord. 3 posts has been filled up, therefore our names has been not included in the promotion order, my lord. And they are junior than me, otherwise, my lord. In the my lord gradation list, my lord, their names will be find at my lords, who are filled up as a backlog, my lord. They are at serial number 15, sorry, my lord, at serial number 19, 22, and 25, my lord. Whereas, my lord, our name is at serial number 15 and 16. And these backlog vacancies are serial number 19, 22, and 25, my lord. The last 3 names, promoted names, my lord. One is Midumoni Konikar, the second is Tina Garlosa, and third one is Indomoni Rabha, 9, 10, 11 in the promotion order. And
So
even
you agree by the promotion of
this to the post of senior assistant, my lord. Even
Senior
my-
citizen with regard to serial number,
9, 10, and 11, as well as my lord, serial number 1, who is promoted as an unreserved category. Otherwise, he is a ST plain, my lord. In the
no. Okay, serial number 1 is a STP,
STP, but he is
but the others are all senior to you.
yes, otherwise senior to me, my lord.
Oh,
My lord.
so
Lorry Sundar, yes.
except the promotion of
9, 10, 11, 9, 10, 11.
19, that is serial number.
At a gradation list, my lord, serial number 19, 22, and 25. We are at serial number 15 and 16, my lord. Gradation list, my lord, will find at my lord, page 39, my lord. Even my lord, the department also forwarded my application for considering my promotion at page 37. It is there, my lord.
Why have you made them all parties?
My lord, since as per Gradation list will be changed, my lord. Therefore, my lord, this 11 numbers has been promoted, my lord. Therefore,
Others are senior to you except 3.
Except 3, my lord.
And the serial number 1, according to you, he's in STP.
ST, unreserved category.
He has taken the quota of the unreserved category.
Yes, ma'am.
And 19, 20 to 25 also, Lordship, they are SC, STH, and STP.
And out of 5 candidates who are senior than me, they have refused to take the promotion, my lord. Therefore, will
No,
come.
they have refused to take promotion, that's fine. But why have you made them all parties?
Since my lord, I have challenged the promotion order, my lord. Therefore.
No, you may challenge the promotion order, but those junior to you only will be affected.
Yes, ma'am.
Senior to you, you have no ground for challenge, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. But I have made party on the my lord pretext that they have to re-verify the promotion my lord gradation list. Therefore, my lord, on the pretext that I have made them party. My lord.
Next day, they will come and say there's a writ petition should go for misgender parties. You have grievance only against serial number 1 and the
9, 10, and 11.
9, 10, and 11.
11.
Okay. You have no grievance against the others.
Yes,
They are senior to you.
Yes, ma'am. That is as per gradation list, they are senior than me, madam.
Then why have you made them parties?
Yeah. Names may be strike off, my lord.
You just can't strike off like that. You have to file an IA.
On the pretext that my lord, they have to change the promotion, my lord, as per gradation list, my lord.
It's up to you. You can think about it.
Let the notice be issued, my lord, against them, my lord. If
Knowing fully well that they are not necessary parties, how can I issue notice against them?
well, 4 of them are senior than me. There is no dispute about it. Yes, 4 of them are senior.
So it's up to you. If you want to think about it and come back, we can take up some other day.
Okay, my lord. That will be and the next week, my lord.
Yeah, we'll have it on Wednesday. On that day, you can think about
My
it
lord,
and come back.
my lord.
On request made by Mr.
Yes, sir. There you go.
S. Hazarika and the council for the petitioner. List the matter. Again on. First minute.
First. Oblige.
20.
May please, Lordship. Lordship, the petitioner filed application for engagement of Asha worker, Lordship. In terms of Lordship, page 14, the notice, Lordship, issued by Lahorika BPHC, Lordship. Page 14, Lordship. She applied for the post, Lordship, and by filing representation, Lordship, page 32, the petitioner challenging the Lordship, the engagement and selection of respondent number 9, Lordship.
Where's the select list?
Lordship, the impugned select list is page 17, Lordship. Page 17, Lordship, and the relevant is page 19, serial number 33, Lordship.
Serial number?
33, Lordship.
Regina Khatun.
Lordship.
Hmm.
And this Regina Khatun is the daughter of Mansur Ali, Lordship. Village right hand side, Lordship, Autulabari.
Hmm.
Lordship, the ground for challenge is that this Lordship Regina Khatun is the daughter of Mansur Ali, Lordship. Lordship, for engagement of Asha worker, Lordship, a candidate must be a Lordship married woman, Lordship. Now, Lordship, the guideline is there is a guideline, Lordship.
Asha workers should be a married woman.
Married Lordship, married woman, Lordship.
Then
There is a guideline, Lordship.
she's, according to you, she's not married.
Not married, Lordship. She is unmarried, Lordship. Page 21, Lordship, there is a guideline, Lordship. Page 21 is the guideline, Lordship, and page 23 is the relevant, Lordship. Criteria for selection, Lordship. Asha must be primarily a woman resident of the village, Swanson, married without divorce. The respondent knight is unmarried, Lordship, and I filed representation, Lordship, page 32, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship.
Let me take instruction.
Okay, heard, Mr.
N. Hawk, Lordship.
N. Hawk, Land Council. The present petition has been filed, challenging the appointment of the private respondent number 9 as Asha of what number?
Lordship,
What number 5?
of village Autulabari under Lahorigat BPHC.
What number 5, isn't it?
Yes. Or ward number 8, Lordship, 8.
For the appointment of so and so as Asha for Autulaburi village on the ground that the respondent number 9 is unmarried. And therefore, in terms of the guidelines on for appointment of Asha, the candidature of the respondent number 9 stands disqualified. Stop. But MS
A Bora,
K
A Bora.
A Bora, Learned Standing Council,
For NHA.
NHA, prays for how much time?
10 days.
Prays for 2 weeks time to receive instructions. Stop. Praise a lot. List of time, 2 weeks.
Lordship, the selection may be state of respondent 9, Lordship.
That will see after we get the select.
On the returnable date, Lordship.
Pray for it, shall be considered on the next week.
Lordship.
21, admission.
May please, Lord. Lordship will find the order dated 16 to 2024, my lord. Record 16 to 24, my lord. Records has been called for, my lord, and there is an office note, my lord, 14 to 24, my lord. Records, my lord, is not, my lord, traced out, my lord.
Office note
16, 14 3 24, my lord. 14 3, it is flag mark.
Yes.
Lordship, my senior is like court number 10, Lordship.
Who's your senior?
S. Sharma, Lordship. Sumitra Sharma.
Standing counsel,
Yes, Lordship.
Guwahati High Court.
What I got, Lordship.
Yes. Appears that the records have been misplaced. The district sessions judge has sent the record on special judge has sent the record on 17/10/2017.
Lordship meant directly register to reset the same mallet. So that reset the same mallet registry, otherwise records is necessary.
Yeah, where's your senior?
Sumitra Sharma, Lordship.
No, where is he?
She is court number 10, Lordship.
She's doing a hearing or when can she come?
Lordship, sometime maybe.
After some time we'll take up. We'll take up after some. Let your senior.
Or
25.
My pleasure, Lordship. Lordship, kindly give me some more time. Tomorrow, Lordship, I can file my affidavit. The only reason why the candidature of the petitioner was rejected because of want of qualification. The petitioner is a class 9 pass candidate, and to get appointment on a grateful post, the minimum qualification is matriculation. So only because of that reason, the candidature of the petitioner was not considered.
When are you filing your affidavit?
Lordship, tomorrow I can file. Lordship. I just received the entire instruction and everything, Lordship. I can file it tomorrow with your Lordship.
Third MS?
D. Sonowal.
D.
Sonowal.
Sonowal, learned counsel for the petition. Mr.
Arbora.
Arbora, learned standing counsel,
APTC.
submits that he'll be filing the counter affidavit within a period of 1 week
Lordship.
from today. So, accordingly, list the matter. You want a date fix?
Yes, that's fine.
Or we'll say after a week.
Yes,
After a week.
After a week.
List the matter after a week.
27.
This is the one they were seeking for.
Also, we have filed our affidavit.
This
Corporate.
one. I think one adjournment was sought in the morning. Oh, you're the one who was seeking an adjournment. Have you taken the consent?
Petitioner consent. No, petitioner consent.
You have not taken your consent till now. Consent from the petitioner's counsel.
No, I have not talked to yes, because your lordship was not granted for
I said to take the consent and come back. I told you to take the consent and come back. Who is our Devi? You want some time?
Also, I have filed my affidavit. The private respondent yet to file.
I have
it.
to file my letter.
How much time you require? Last time you said 1 week. Why are you delaying so much?
Activities are almost ready, but they have to come from outside.
None appears for the petitioner. MSMD Bora,
Any council corporation.
starting council corporation appears for respondents 2, 3, and 4. Mr. H. Audi.
Yes, system.
S. Islam.
Yes.
Learned counsel for the respondent number 5 and 6. Praise for 2 weeks time to file counter affidavit. Praise a lot. List after 2 weeks.
Obliged, my lord.
28,
Make your lordship.
Yes.
My lord, the petitioner was initially appointed, my lord, in the year, my lord, 2008. 2008, my lord, there was no any formal order, my lord. He was engaged in Bharveli, and thereafter, my lord, the deputy commissioner come district registrar, my lord, Dhubri, by an order dated, my lord, 18/7 to 13, my lord, 2013, advised to engage the petitioner for 3 months. Thereafter, my lord, he was engaged and he's still continuing, my lord. He's still continuing as a, my lord, grade 4 employee, my lord, in the office of the sub-registrar.
You filed your affidavit?
Lordship, we have filed our.
They have filed, my lord.
They have
filed?
not filed any reply.
Are you filing a reply or not?
No, my lord, they have not, my lord, this affidavit, my lord, they have not, they had admitted, my lord, that I am working, my lord. There's nothing to, my lord.
There's no formal order of appointment.
No, now, my lord, after 2013, my lord, there's a formal, he was engaged as a, my lord, daily wage basis, my lord, and till date, my lord, he was working as a, my lord, grade 4 employee in the office of the sub-registrar. And the office, my lord, the sub-registrar of the Bilasipura subdivision, my lord, various times, my lord, he requested to the higher authority, the deputy commissioner, to engage, my lord, the petitioner, and also for regularization of the service of the petitioner, my lord.
He was temporarily appointed, Lordship. He was temporarily appointed, Lordship.
But now, my lord, is a 13, 14 years, my lord, his age is also, my lord, over, my lord. You can apply for other. The affidavit they have filed, my lord, is admitted that he is working, my lord.
But Lordship, temporary appointment. Lordship.
Temporary appointment, how can you pray for regularization? How can you pray for regularization?
My lord, his service is, my lord, he is working as grade 4 employee, grade 4 employee March in 2013 till date, my lord.
You are back to appointment.
My lord, no, my lord.
Yes.
No.
Were you appointed on the basis of an advertisement?
No.
Then
You, as per the, my lord, the order of the deputy commissioner, my lord, he was engaged.
so
He was engaged and, my lord, he also filed the representation. And his services, my lord, is very much required, my lord, in the office of the sub-registrar, my lord, because that's why the sub-registrar of the Bilasipura subdivision, my lord, he also requested the higher authority that yes, he's a, my lord, efficient and, my lord, so his service may be regularized, my lord.
Lordship, some persons, along with his, the petitioners, it was appointed, they are already terminated, Lordship. As per my affidavit, Lordship, page number 40, running page number 46, para 7, last portion, Lordship. And the deponent, may I read, Lordship?
yes.
And the deponent further states here that since my joining, I found out that Sri Jagesh Chandra Nath is the office of the sub-registrar. In the office of the sub-registrar, Bilasipura performing his duty on a daily wage basis since so and so, Lordship. But the other person mentioned in this para as Moinuddin Chaudhary has already been terminated from his post prior to my joining.
He was terminated because he was found some, my lord,
Their daily
Irregular
wage basis,
smile.
they are appointed, Lordship.
Where's your representation?
representation is, my lord, Annexer 8, my lord,
Page?
page 29, 2933, my lord.
When did you make this representation?
Representation, my lord, on 26/4/22, my lord. 25/4/20, 26/4/22.
Let them consider the representation.
Lordship.
You consider the representation. I'm not directing for issuance of a regularization. You consider the representation and dispose of by a speaking order.
Lordship.
I think that should. Hurt, Mr.
K.C. Roy, my lord.
K.C.
K.C. Roy.
K.C. Roy, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. S. Datta, the standing counsel revenue for the respondent number 1 and 2. 1 and 2. And MS
A Talukdar.
A. Talukdar, learned government advocate
Lordship.
for the respondents
3, 4, and 5. Lordship.
3, 4, and 5. Stop. The petitioner is HSLC passed and having a 6 months diploma in computer course. Stop. Being qualified for being appointment, being qualified for being appointed as a grade 4 employee, comma. The petitioner claims that he was engaged as a grade 4 employee on daily wage basis by the sub-register, comma, Bilasipara subdivision, verbally, and has been working since 2008. Stop. Where's the deputy commissioner's order?
My lord. Annexer. Annexer 1, my lord. Sorry, Annexer 2, my lord. Page 23. The office note, my lord.
Page?
Page 23, my lord.
Thereafter, on the basis of a noting of the deputy commissioner, correct?
Yes.
Come district register to pre. On 18/7/2013, the petitioner was engaged for 3 months from as a daily wage worker, was engaged for 3 months as a grade 4 employee on daily wage basis. So it is the claim of the petitioner that the petitioner is that he is still serving as a grade 4
Grade 4.
employee till date. Stop. The by this writ petition, petitioner is claiming for regularization to the post of grade 4. Stop. To that effect, comma, the petitioner has made a representation before the Inspector General of Registration, comma, Government of Assam, and the Deputy Commissioner and District Register Dupree, which was received on 26/4/2022. Stop. But the respondent number 5 has also filed an affidavit. And in the said affidavit, there's no denial that the petitioner, that in the said affidavit, is also admitted that the petitioner is serving as a grade 4 employee from Where have you stated
2013 lordship, 19/7, 2013.
18/7.
from? Where was that paragraph?
My lord,
7 lordship. Para 7 lordship.
Is performing his duties on a daily wage basis since 19/7/2013. Stop. However, as the representation filed by the petitioner is yet to be disposed of by the concerned authorities, this writ petition, without entering into the merits, is being disposed of, directing the respondent number 2 and 3.
2 and 3.
2 and 3 to consider the representation filed by the petitioner on 26.
25/4.
25/4.
25/4.
That representation.
29.
Annex 8 lordship, page 29.
On 26/4/2022, correct?
That is received date lordship.
Received 25, my lord, 25/4.
Where is the date?
It
My lord, is it
First para, second.
second, my lord, the
Oh. So on top you say, on
Yes.
the file 25/4/22. What is it, the respondent? 25/4/2022. In accordance with law. To consider and dispose of the in accordance with law by a speaking order. Within a period of 2 months.
3 months.
Let it be 2 months.
2 months.
From the date of receipt of a copy of the order with the above observations and directions. With petitions.
obliged, my lord.
It was like this.
21.
Please, sorry, my lord, I was on legs.
Doesn't matter. Records are not traceable, I'm told.
Yes, my lord. I have not been, I've written to them, but they haven't come in as yet.
Have you seen the office note?
Yes, that says that the records are
Not traceable. So what do you want today?
One thing, of course, my lord, he is challenging both the selections in one petition, my lord. Both that of Pion and Jari Karab, my lord, whether at all. Two sets of,
Out of the same selection process, same advertisement, my lord, same select list, my lord.
nevertheless. Anyway, what to do? My wit set, my lord.
I'll give you 2 weeks time.
My lord.
But Mr.
Arson.
R. Sharma, London Council for the petitioner. MS.S. Sharma, London Standing Council, Guwahati High Court, is allowed another 3 weeks time to produce the records. List the matter after 3 weeks.
Obliged.
29.
Please, your lordship.
Affidavit has come.
My lord, they have not yet filed, my lord. This is the 8th occasion, my lord. And they have been making the same submission.
Lordship, we haven't received the vetted copy yet. We have sent it for vetting on the last date when the matter came up, but we haven't received it yet.
Yeah, appearing on behalf of P. Nayak.
Yes, your lordship.
My lord, since August 2023, my lord, they have been making the same submission that the affidavit is ready and it has been sent for vetting, my lord. It is all more than 9 months, my lord. So, my lord,
Yes, what is wrong?
Lordship, we have
How-
sent it, and there is no doubt about that, but we haven't received the signed copy. That is where the issue is, your lordship.
So the respondents are not willing to file the affidavit.
No, your lordship, we do,
I'll give you as a last chance.
lordship.
I'll give them a last chance. But MSSP Chowdhury, then the council for the petition. MS.
A Botakur
A.
appearing on behalf.
Bodavar, London Council appearing on behalf of Mr. B. Nayak, London Standing Council BTC. Is allowed another 3 weeks' time as last chance to file affidavit. Stuff. You want the date?
Yes, my lord, date may be fixed.
Give a date up to 3 weeks, based on
20 May.
20 May.
Public.
30.
In this case also, my lord, the affidavit has not been filed by the department, my lord.
Yes, TC Chutia. Case Hazarika, what is your problem?
Problem is, we have not.
More than 1 year, my lord.
What problem is there?
Today, personally, say I am paying for the first time today. Let's say I don't know what my colleague TC Shusti has. Others, let's say we have the instructions here. Let's say we'll file the.
Last occasion, he prayed for 3 weeks' time.
If they have received the instructions, they can very well file the
No,
affidavit.
sir,
my lord.
it has come to my notice, so I will file it.
2024, he prayed for 2 weeks' time. 15/3/2024, he prayed for 3 weeks' time.
The filing of instruction has to be, let's say, required. Let's say there's something I've seen, let's say, in the instructions.
That is why, what
has
is
to-
taking you so long?
It has to come to in the court record, let's say.
Okay, heard Mr. S. Count, learned counsel for the petitioner. Mr. CKS
CKS Borala.
Barwa, learned government advocate. Praise for, and is granted. How much?
2 weeks, let's say.
Are you sure?
I will give 200%, let's say, for filing that this thing within 2 weeks, let's say.
Okay, praise for 2 weeks' time to file counter affidavit. No, it's granted 2 weeks' time to file counter affidavit. Please, the matter
A date may be fixed, my lord.
again or. Okay, 13th May.
31.
May it please your lordship. My lord, in this case, petitioner is not given the second MSCP benefit, my lord. On the last occasion, my lord, I submitted one judgment of this honorable court, my lord. Last CGC was to take the instruction. Moreover, my lord, I am relying on honorable Supreme Court judgment, my lord.
Have you gone through the judgment?
Lordship, that was in matters of promotion, lordship. But what here.
My lord, both promotion and
Lordship,
MSCP.
we have a well-defined principle, lordship, by lordship makes, and they come to page. Page 85, lordship. Let her finish, lordship, then have, thereafter I will make my submission.
Okay, proceed.
My lord, petitioner has completed 20 years of qualifying service in January 2022, my lord. After that, he is eligible for second MSCP benefit because after completion of first MSCP, 10 years, my lord, he was given the first MSCP benefit. And my lord, kindly see annexure 1, my lord, page 15.
Where's the scheme?
Scheme, my lord, he has in affidavit in opposition, my lord.
Page 85, lordship. And the ACR has to be considered, that will lordship find at page 87. Serial number 13,
ACRs we constitute while granting MSCP.
lordship,
Page.
page 13, 87, serial number 13. Page 87, serial number 13, lordship.
Something is wrong with the paging.
Lordship.
I also do not have presence in affidavit.
87, right?
Is there not? Is there not?
think that the page is right?
wrong, I have to furnish afresh, Lordship.
Hmm?
Lordship, I'll furnish afresh, Lordship. Page number 3 is not there, Lordship, of this OM order dated 18 September 2009. Annexure B.
Annexure?
Annexure B, page number, it will be serial page number 3, Lordship. Inner page. Page number 3 is not there, Lordship. If that is not there, I have to file afresh, Lordship.
My lord, case is very simple, my lord.
You have to insert that copy only. Or you furnish
Afresh, Lordship, or I will furnish afresh, Lordship.
you want to file a fresh affidavit.
Only just annexing that order.
Okay, okay. Third MS,
As per
learned counsel for the petitioner, Mr. P. Chakrabarty, learned CTC, shall furnish an additional, shall file an additional affidavit. In closing, what?
Annexing the order dated 18/9/2009.
Annexing the order dated
18/9/2009 relating to MSAP.
18/9/2009 relating to MSCP.
No.
Stop.
Issued by the Director General, DGAR, Assam Rifle.
Issued by the DGAR, Assam Rifles. Stop. List of the
1 week, Lordship.
to one.
I'll kindly give you a date, my lord.
The- Okay, 8 May.
My
32.
The Lordship, can it be taken on second half? My senior is in another court.
Well, second half, I have some difficulty, it will be next week.
Okay.
I will be tied up in court number 1.
Second half.
Next week.
Okay, on request made on behalf of Mr. J. Roy, the senior counsel for the petition, Mr. Metro. You want a date fix or after a week?
Date fix. Date fix, my lord.
Second.
36.
May I please your Lordship? Lordship, petitioner has earlier approached before this honorable court and praying for a direction to the respondent authority, and that petition was disposed of by this honorable court initially first on 19/5/2023, Lordship.
Yeah.
And thereafter, Lordship,
1 minute. Affidavit on behalf of this.
Lordship, in this case, Lordship, I would like to file counter affidavit on the affidavit filed by the state respondents, Lordship. For that, Lordship, I may be granted 2 weeks, 1 week's time, Lordship.
Respondent number 4,
Yes,
is it?
yes, filed by the respondent number 4, yes, yes, Lordship.
Okay, Mr.
This, my Lordship, only my humble submission is that, Lordship, since the learned government council has possessed the entire pension service book and other service related original copies, that may be directed to return because the petitioner has retired from service on 31/12/2023. Only because of that, his service book is not with him and other related documents are not with him. Therefore, Lordship.
Okay,
he
you
could not
file your
process.
affidavit in reply, we'll see after that. Mr. D. Sharma, then a counsel for the petition. Is allowed how much
In the
time?
meantime, Lordship, because he still, Lordship, his pensionary benefit could not process by the authority. That's all, Lordship.
How much time you require?
Only 1 week time, Lordship.
Rest for a week's time to file reply to the counter file for the respondent. In the meantime, the concerned authorities are directed to process the pension papers. of the petition. I said to process the pension papers of the petition. That automatically would.
Yes, sir, that I.
37.
Lordship, today morning I have filed my reply affidavit, Lordship, that is not on record. So,
You file your reply.
Yes, today morning,
Receive a copy.
No, Lordship.
I have supplied the copy, Lordship.
Maybe.
Okay, this. That's not it. You are Mr.
SN Krishnatra.
Mr. S.N. Krishna Traya, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he has filed an affidavit in reply to the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent number two this morning. Stop. Registry to verify and place the same on it.
On next week, Lordship,
List the matter.
the date. Links are complete, Lordship.
10th May.
10
Applies, Lordship.
of last.
Is to default. Writ petition is dismissed.
Much obliged, Lord.
It's another writ appeal.
Yes,
Not-
Lordship.
So we're directing it to be listed after 3 weeks
Yes, Lordship.
in that writ appeal. Writ appeal. It says, list this matter after 3 weeks. Transmit it to government.
Criminal appeal stands dismissed.
Obliged.
Item 38, admission.
I'm filing the affidavit today only, Lordship.
Today only.
Yes.
Have you filed?
No, Lordship, it's on.
But Mr. B. Chetri, learned counsel for the petitioner. MS MM Kataki, learned standing counsel, animal husbandry and veterinary department. Submits that she is filing counter affidavit within the course of the day. List the matter on, when do you want? After 2 weeks?
No, on 8 Lordship.
You want to file a reply or not? After the counter has come?
Would be necessary.
Huh? You may like to file a reply depending on what counter comes.
Lordship will fix the date on particular date, my lord.
Okay,
Because probably it need not be.
we'll have it on 15th,
Lordship.
list on 15th. Mr. C.K. Baral, government advocate, appears for respondent. 12.
Obliged. 39.
Affidavit has been sent for waiting 1 week and maybe given to file them. 1
A
week.
date may fix, madam, that's,
But Mr. B. Progayastan and counsel for the petitioner.
Yes, sir.
MSc Gyan and CDC submits that the affidavit has been sent for vetting. And prays for 1 week time.
1 week, yes.
You can do it in
Yes,
1 week.
yes.
Prays for 1 week time to file the sub. Prays a lot.
thereafter I may be required to file the
Yeah.
reply, my
So
lord.
I'll give you sufficient time.
Yes, sir.
I'll give you 2 weeks time. 2 weeks. 2 weeks. One week you're taking. Then 2 weeks.
Last week of May, my.
Last week of May, it may come last.
29th May.
Yes. Month.
53 of supplementary list, admission.
If you lordship may kindly take up after some time.
Why?
And the petitioner, in this case petitioner died in harness. He was ex-helper in the irrigation department, Patsala division irrigation. And he died in harness on 12 January 2017. And though the petitioner before your lordship received family pension, but GPF amount of rupees 1,696 and GCRG amount has not been received. That's why a requisition has been filed. And the Learned Council for the Finance Department P. Nayak is to bring instruction.
Where is Nayak? Call him.
Petitioner has been expired on 12 January 2017. And GPF annexer 4 returning the GPF account lordship by the senior accounts officer. He wrote a letter to the Treasury Officer Patsala division, Treasury Officer Patsala, regarding returning GPF account, annexer 4. Regarding return of annexer 4. Treasury Officer Patsala Sub Treasury return to the senior accounts officer. It will annexer 4 lordship. Letter dated 28 February 2009. It has been a lordship challenge to set aside. And let's say annexer 7, pension payment order, annexer 7.
Yes, Chalia.
Lordship, here I'm appearing for the Treasury Officer, Lordship. I have in fact communicated the same to the Treasury Officer. The Treasury Officer has, Lordship, there he has submitted that he has not received that this document, this particular document, and he has in fact written to the Accountant General also regarding the said issue. My learned friend has annexed the document, but my lords, the Treasury Officer, his hands are tied at this moment because he has not received it. That is what he has informed me, Lordship. So I have informed the Treasury Officer to inform the Accountant General. If the AG can, if the AG can reconfirm, Lordship, because the Treasury Officer he has informed me that there's the difficulty from his end because since he has not received. And
extra copies have been given.
No, Lordship, extra copy has been given to me, Lordship. But in order to give the relief, the Treasury Officer has to receive the letter from the Accountant General because they have to furnish certain details. That has been.
Which document? 13/11/2023.
Lordship, here this letter, Lordship, which is
17 October 2023.
page 18, Lordship.
Next.
If Lordship, here my only submission, if the counsel for the AG, if the AG can clarify and if they can coordinate.
No. I think you've not got your facts correct. The AG has written to the executive engineer on 17th October 2023. Mark the date, 17th October 2023. For final withdrawal of the sums of credited of GPF amount rupees 1,04,300.
Annexer 8 lots.
Yes.
GPF account lordship.
And a letter was written to Mr. Mehdi, Standing Council AG,
Yes, sir.
saying that the Accountant General Office has reissued a GPA final payment authority in respect of the.
Yes, Lordship, here, I think there might be some miscommunication between the AG and the Treasury Officer,
Ah.
Lordship. If,
Have you got a copy of this?
no, Lordship,
Where's Mehdi?
Junior is here, Lordship. His junior is here.
Hazarika.
Junior is here, Lordship.
Hazarika. Get a photocopy of this. You have a photostat machine here. Give it one copy each. Give it to Nayak.
But Lordship, here, if I may, Lordship, there's, I had received one instruction, Lordship, where it was where it was stated that this, it's a letter dated 13/11/2023, Lordship.
Oh.
It's a, here, Lordship, it's written, this refers to a letter dated so and so on subject cited. I am to state that this office has reissued the GPA final payment in respect of the affidavit, which was earlier returned by the Treasury Officer, as the validity of that authority has already expired. Therefore, on the next returnable date, you are requested to apprise the Honorable Court that the owners of making payment allows now with the DDO and the Treasury Officer Pathshala. Copy of the final payment authority dated so and so is enclosed herewith exhibiting this. Now, Lordship, there's here now lies with the DDO and the Treasury Officer. Lordship, now on my when I on receiving this document, I had forwarded this document to the Treasury Officer. So I was informed by the Treasury Officer, Lordship, there was an oral instruction that he has not received anything regarding this. So that clarification today in the morning also I clarified. So he submitted that he has not received. So maybe the DDO can clarify the authority, drawal and disbursal officer, my lord. So that is why I'm just there might be some communication gap, my lords. And
1 minute.
this instruction I have received, I have forwarded to the Treasury Officer also. So, Lordship, since the petitioner has been working as in the office of Executive Engineer, Irrigation, Lordship, the DDO will be some authority from the Irrigation Department. So if the DDO can confirm that they have forwarded the documents to the Treasury Officer, which because the Treasury Officer has stated that he has not received the relevant documents, because of which he could not process it.
Which letter? 13?
13, Lordship, I have, yes, Lordship, in this letter only, Lordship, in the second paragraph it's written. Therefore, on the returnable date, you are requested to apprise the Honorable that the onus of making payment now lies with the DDO and the Treasury Officer Pathshala. So the DDO will be some authority from the Irrigation Department, my lord. And if the authority in the Irrigation Department can submit some document which they have forwarded, Lordship, on the basis of that, we can pursue, because these are the oral instructions which I have communicated with him.
Okay, heard Mr.
BC Dakas.
BC?
Daka.
They call Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Stop. Mr. B. Nayak, Learned Standing Counsel, Finance Department, on oral instructions submits that the Treasury Officer Batsala has not received the letter dated, has not received the GPA final payment authority, correct?
Yes, Lordship. No, the documents
As reflected in the Communication dated 13/11/2023, written by the senior accounts officer, legal cell. Stop. We however pressed for some time to make some clarifications, with the concerned DTO. Stop. Prayers allowed. List on.
Lordship may list the matter after 1 week, Lordship, but the DDO also, Lordship, will be the irrigation department. If they should also clarify when they have sent it, Malak, because they have to forward it. Only after that, the treasury officer's role will be.
List the matter after 1 week.
Lordship, if irrigation, yes, they can also.
In the meantime, MS
Yes, no, here.
DS New.
New.
The understanding of the irrigation shall also receive instructions from the concerned DTO.
When the documents were forwarded, Lordship, if they
As
can.
to when the GPF final payment authority was
Forwarded.
Whether the GPF final authority was forwarded to the treasury officer.
When, Lordship, at the date maybe. That is all. But my instruction is that he has not received it, because of which he cannot act upon.
3rd May can be fixed on 3rd May last. Or 6th May last.
6.
Okay.
41 and 42 of Delhi order. Forty-one, 42.
You are appearing for?
Application, ma'am.
Huh?
Application.
In the writ petition.
Yes, ma'am.
Who appears in the contempt?
The application is appearing in every case, ma'am.
Huh?
Application is appearing in every case. B. Chaudhary was appearing in contempt.
None appears for the petition. Mr.
W. Ahmed.
W. Ahmed, the understanding counsel.
No, sir. Proxy counsel.
The not counsel appearing on behalf of Mr.
B. Chaudhary.
B. Chaudhary, the understanding counsel appears for the APTC. List after 2 weeks.
May it please your lordship, my lord, this I is for deletion of name of respondent number 4.
Where's the IA?
Otherwise matter is ready, my lord, 2020 matter. Petitioner is on the verge of retirement, promotion matter. I am not seeking anything against him, my lord, so his name may be deleted.
I have already appeared for respondent 1, 2, and 3, already filed affidavit, my lord.
Oh.
Only for the purpose of respondent.
Because of 4 only matter is delayed, otherwise matter is ready for admission here.
Heard MSS Bora, learned counsel for the applicant in the IA. By this application, also heard Mr. KK Parasal, learned CGC.
Respondent number 1, 2, and 3.
For the opposite parties.
1, 2, and 3.
Stop. By this application, the applicant who is the writ petitioner in WBC 2382 of 2020 is praying for deletion of the respondent number 4 as party respondent on the ground that the petitioner is not seeking any relief from the respondent number 4. So, Mr. KK Parasol, the CGC has no objections. This court has also considered the cost shown in the present application and is satisfied. Accordingly, the prayer for deletion of respondent number 4 is allowed. IS disposed of. In view of the in the amended petition, in view of the order passed today in IA number 7, so let the name of the respondent number 4 be deleted as party respondent. Stop. You'll have to file an amended cost title. The petitioner shall file an amended cost title within 1 week.
My lord.
Within 1 week. Stop. Please, the matter, when do you want it early?
After 2 weeks, my lord.
After?
2 weeks.
Please, the matter after 2 weeks.
It will be listed for admission normally.
In the admission column.
My lord.
Problem 44.
Resolution. Content matter, my lord.
Yes.
Order dated 26.
Anybody appearing for respondents?
Respondent
Okay, this particular, in this matter, we have to get our instructions and because
Commissioner law some division.
actually this commissioner law, lower subdivision has been abolished. So basically the, now the principal secretary GAD might be there. So he has to file an impediment.
You have to file an impediment.
My lord, actually without knowing the proper name and address or designation of the person concerned, I am unable to file the application.
So he can get the details, but not, nowadays it's online, I can tell him also.
Actually, you have to elaborate who is the immediate person.
It's your honors to check up who's not the council appearing for the other side.
My lord.
You can't put all the burden on the other
My
side.
lord, I am sorry, but as per information given by him, I am telling him.
Mr.
MS Ali, my lord.
MS
MS Ali.
Ali Leonard Counsel for the petitioner. Praise for how much time?
2 weeks. 2 weeks, my lord. 2 weeks.
You'll have to serve.
Find
notice.
out the designation and time. Yes.
After that, you have to serve notice.
Yes.
By annexing a copy of the judgment.
My lord.
Mr. MS Ali Leonard Counsel for the petitioner. Praise for
4 weeks, my lord. I may.
4 weeks time to file an
4 weeks, my lord. 4 weeks. 4 weeks.
praise for 4 weeks time. To file an appropriate application for implement of necessary parties.
Deeply blessed.
Please allowed list after 4 weeks.
Deeply blessed.
46.
Lordship, in this matter, there is a direction from this honorable court to place the matter before SLC as per clause 15, my lord. And we have placed the matter before SLC and the SLC has again directed the concerned department, the transport department, to take up the matter with some other department regarding the vacancy. And we have written to all the department, the government of Assam, and some of the department has given nil report and some department yet to.
That I've already recorded in the last.
Then I have received the.
2024.
Yes, my lord.
That was already recorded.
And then I have, this is the updated instruction, my lord. Yesterday I have received. Lordship, may kindly have a look which department has given us the reply. Because there is a direction from this honorable court to take up the call by the SLC. We are the department, administrative department. We have placed the matter before SLC. The other department will not give the vacancy position to us. We have given them reminder also. My lord, may kindly have a look the other departments. The list I have given, my lord.
1 minute. Where's the judgment?
Judgment is my lord, page.
Page relevant portion 9, my lord, page 9. If grade 3 post is not available, there is a direction to offer me grade 4 post also, my lord.
Lordship, paragraph 11, my lord. Hmm. 11 and 12.
And who is the contender here?
See the.
Respondent number 1. He has retired, isn't
Yes,
he?
retired, Lord. 31st March 2020.
Petitioner have to implement the new
You have to
incumbents.
implement the new respondent.
Again, you will retire, again, I will re-implement.
Because contempt case, it's a
So
contempt
you
case.
don't want, so you
No,
don't- no,
secretary, chief secretary.
so you don't want to implement.
No, I am ready to
So why are you
implement.
saying all these things before this court?
Chief secretary is the ex officio chairman, my lord.
That's why he is the person who's required to be implemented.
Oh, no.
You are praying for
Reference number 1. Earlier, chairman of the office.
Mr.
Okay, that's.
A. Das, learned counsel for the petitioner, for the respond number 1 submits that the that he has that no. Learned counsel for respond number 1 submits that the respond number 1 has retired on
31st of March 2020.
31st of March 2024. And the new incumbent has taken over as the chief secretary, come chairman, state level committee for commissioner appointments. Stop. Para. Mr.
Yeah, Matlib.
A. Matlim,
Yes, ma'am.
learned counsel for the petitioner, prays for how much time?
2 weeks, ma'am.
We'll have to serve copy on the new incumbent also. 3 weeks time.
What?
Prays for 3 weeks time to file an appropriate application for implementation of necessary parties. Praise alone, please stop for 3 weeks.
In the meantime, Lordship, I will file my affidavit.
Yeah, yes.
Deeply obliged.
47. As per the order detail, Lordship, very small thing, Lordship.
So why is it coming for orders today?
What happened, my lord, private respondent not received the event, my lord,
What I to do?
copy, my lord. I filed an affidavit and directed the government council to serve the copy, my lord, by this honorable court, my lord. Justice service was taken, my lord.
The director of culture office or and as per the code of science, so the notice has been served for as per number 345 by the undersigned. So good.
So, my lord, it is now copy served by the government council.
Lordship, okay, file one affidavit reflecting this thing, Lordship.
Not necessary because it is there, my lord, because if they file.
We have already filed, Lordship, and
It is-
as per the provision of CPC, Lordship can in fact deemed to be served also under order 9 rule level.
Basically, there is an order of justice service, no? They refuse, my lord, then this honorable court directed, my lord, to government council, my lord, to take step against the private respondent, my lord. This is regarding promotion matter, my lord.
Mr. Hurt, Mr. S. K. Mehdi, learned counsel for the petition. Mr. Sigesh Varwa, learned governor advocate, submits that the Director of Cultural Affairs has served copy of the notice to the respondents 3, 4, and 5 on has served notice 3, 4, and 5. Stop. Learned the Director of Cultural Affairs is directed to file an affidavit showing service of notice on the respondents 2, 4, and 5 within a period of 1 week. Can you do it in 1 week?
Yes,
Within a period of 1 week from today. Stop. List the matter up to 1 week.
My lord, this, my lord, this, he deprived promotion, but the method, that may fix, even 10 days also, my lord, that may fix, my lord.
List the matter on. Okay, 10th May.
10 not, my lord, 10, my lord, this, 17, my lord.
17th of.
Item 50.
Yeah, please, your lordship.
Yes.
In the last occasion, a player was sought for taking instructions. The instructions were taken and the authorities are taking initiatives.
So you want to close this contempt?
Yes, your lordship.
They've complied with the order.
Yes, they're complying.
Your good name, please.
S. Jad Hayat.
MS.
Well, I am appealing for the sole respondent. They passed the speaking order. See, petitioner will be entitled.
Yes. sir.
MS HZ Hayat.
Hayat.
Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the respondents have complied with the orders passed by this court.
But
Stop. Mr. V. Gogoi, learned counsel appears for the
sole respondent.
appears for the sole respondent.
Well, the speaking order may be kept as a part of the requirement complaint.
Okay, then you cancel all those orders. MS SZ Hayat. Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the sole respondent has complied with the directions passed by this court by passing the speaking order dated. What is this? 2? Is it 21?
Yes, madam, it's down below.
2102.
Yes.
2102 2024. Whereby the petitioner has been allowed to receive the family pension of her late husband Kamaluddin Chowdhury as per rule. Stop. She therefore submits that the contempt petition may be closed. Mr. B. Gogoi, learned counsel, appears for the sole respondent.
Well, the order may be kept.
Contempt petition is accordingly closed, and the order dated, speaking order dated 2102 2024 is placed on the court.
Okay.
51 for hearing.
Please, your lordship, matter will take after some time. My senior is on next.
After some time,
Sometime the last one.
when do you want me to go back?
He is
and come
coming,
back
he is
again?
coming. He is coming.
This court can't keep on waiting for lawyers. Otherwise, you are ready?
Also, the records are here.
Oh,
Everything is there. To dispose of for final.
We are also ready.
then you proceed. You proceed.
Maybe
Yes.
my lord, during the period when the petitioner's proceeding was going on, a disciplinary proceeding for about 8-9 years, during that period, his promotion ought to have been considered and the result ought to have been kept in seal cover. They have stated in the affidavit that they have kept it in seal cover, but on all the 3 occasions, they could not produce it, my lord. Your lordship asked them to produce. And only
You have to seal cover.
they have stated in the affidavit, my lord.
Which affidavit?
In their affidavit at
Respondent number 2.
my lord. And for that reason, my lord, and
Which para?
I'm giving.
Lordship, in our affidavit, we have stated, Lordship, it is keeping this thing still covered. But Lordship, there is a circular by the government where it is said that Lordship, during the pendency of the DP or before the order of the final account of DP Lordship, the promotion case cannot be considered. After the closure of the DP Lordship, the selection committee can consider the promotion to consider the promotion of the petition of the case Lordship in further cases Lordship. The circular Lordship, accordingly Lordship, we have received one instruction along with this this thing Lordship record. This Anshula Bosumitari was promoted from ACS Junior to ACS Senior, dated 22/1/2020. Again, Lordship, Anshula Bosumitari was again promoted from ACS Senior Grade 2 to ACS Senior Grade 1 in 24/3/2023 from pay grade of 30,000 to 1,10,000, Lordship.
and grade pay of 16,900.
Then why don't you place that by way of an additional affidavit? Let them also be aware of what is happening.
Let me find out additional affidavit. Lordship may see the record, the first place of the record.
But my claim is that even after the DP was completed and I was punished only for 2 increments.
2 increment of India.
Thereafter also I was not promoted.
He was subsequently promoted in further lordship. Further occasions lordship by the selection committee.
Because DP completed in 2016. Then they
See,
said that
after DB was completed,
during this 3 years, Milad, from 16 to 19, they have not considered my promotion.
That we
Only
cannot do lordship because there is a circular. Have you sent a copy of the circular to the email of the Discord lordship?
you find your affidavit.
Lordship access to see the circular lordship.
No, not required. You annex that in your affidavit.
Lordship.
Let him file his affidavit.
then we will be able to
Yeah.
make a challenge also.
Yeah.
That will be better. Milad.
But Mr. DP Chalia, then a senior counsel assisted by MS
Roy.
M.
Roy.
M. Roy, then a counsel for the petition. Mr. C.K.S. Barwal, then a government advocate, is permitted to file an additional affidavit with regard to the
Instruction received on 21st September.
with regard to the instructions received on
Received along with the record.
with regard to the instructions received along with the reports. Stop. How much time?
Was it 4 weeks time? So
That one instruction is already there.
Yes, 4 weeks will be too much.
because
Milad.
lordship, I have so many affidavits to file lordship. That is the reason. This is a personal difficulty.
I'll give you 3 weeks.
That
I'll
will
find
be
it.
Release the matter after 3 weeks.
Milad.
No solution.